Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 469. What's up with Bitcoin? Technical analysis for crypto. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. Thank you all for being here. Really appreciate y'all for your awesome support. And let's see who's in the house. Jake's in the house. Thank you for being here, Jake. Steve Moore, what's up? Chan Golfer, here we go again. Hi, Filoni, what's up? Hadmakrin, hello. Andu, how's it going, man? Shatka, hey, man, co-host. Shatma in the house. Oh, cool, man. Thanks, co-host. Francisco Pena, hey. Yukis, hey, how's it going, man? Firebeard, nice. Are we going to crash another 30K? That's a good question. We're going to check it out, right? There's a lot of support. Francisco Pena, we're going to crash another 30K also, right? Yeah. Is my crypto night joke still stuck in my head? I'm not sure which joke, dude, but yeah. JK, what's up, man? James Yates, hey. How's it going, man? Bitcoin Fight Club. What's up? Oh, we have a fight club in the house. Awesome. Eric Hale. Cheers. Guys, by the way, we're so close to 1,500. Let's get there tonight. We need like 18 subs or something like that. It's just a very, very small amount. So, let's hope it's a memorable night. Remember it. Like, bell, and sub. As you can tell, the chat's coming up. It's going to be coming up differently here in a second. Hope you are able to read it properly. Let me know. I actually want to monitor short term. So much support. So bloody much. Yes. Actually, what I want to do right now is I want to open my YouTube stream and I want to see how the chat is looking because I'm trying to change this down here to where it's more readable for you. I'm not sure if this is more readable or not. And if it isn't, I'll try to adjust it or do something to make it more readable for you and more enjoyable, right? That's what I ultimately want, that the stream is good for you guys also. So, on that note, let me open myself live, remove all sound from this thing, and I want to see how the chat is looking, man. Yo, Steve, how's it going, man? Oh, it's a joke? Kryptonite? Alright, I get it. Right, man, I get it now. I see what you did there. Thinking a new look? Thanks, man. I hope that it's more readable down here, right? A little bit congruent with the like little characters that pop up, right? More comic-y. I still can't get it to load here so I can monitor myself. So I am trying to see. It looks good, right? I can see it now. or at least whatever it loaded, I could see. So, good stuff, man. Awesome. Retweeted? Thanks, man. Let me check again. Now it's finally loaded properly. Apparently it hadn't loaded properly the first time. Yep. Hey, okay, cool. I think you can read it now, so it's readable. Thank you for being here. Let's start with the show, man. What is happening with crypto? Right, look. Remember what I told you? Below 1 trillion? Not good. We are below 1 trillion. Oh no, we're at 990.82 billion. Let's hope we can find support at the 20 and bounce. But if you remember, we had this hidden bullish divergence here that slightly popped. Now we can track that onto there, track that onto there. We're having it at support. It could be an area of support before we actually pump back up, right? Hello, which is Gump. Hey, Martin. How are things in Mexico City? They're okay. How are things with the inauguration in the U.S.? Anyways, yesterday we dropped very little, 0.33%, approximately 3.32 billion. Today we're dropping a little bit more, 2.03, 20.51 billion. It's not looking too good. It looks like China's dumping because the movement started like right about when China comes online. So it looks like China started dumping on the market. Let's figure out what's going on with that. I did post an article today. I believe it might be this one. And yeah, it says that some institutional investors are taking profit as Bitcoin retraces. That could bring some money out of the crypto sphere. Maybe not as much as we're seeing, but we'll see, right? So on that note, they do say that there's still a lot more buying, right? So approximately 6% of combined Bitcoin volume, down 14%, right? And you know, it says that CoinShares notes that crypto inflows have returned to their pre-Christmas levels following the 97% drop over the last 3 weeks. So again, we're seeing some of that money flowing back in, right? So that should in turn drive the price of the market up again. We'll see how that's going to handle. You know, we might find that support at the 20 on market cap and take a bounce. Let's see if that's a play. Again, remember, hidden divergences can still drop more, make more negative momentum, and they'll still play out, right? So again, we're trying to gauge whether or not we're going to bounce here. Let's hope we can get above 1 trillion again. That's it for market cap. Let's go check out Bitcoin dominance at 65.24. Again, it's been losing dominance, which means alts are playing better, right? They should be doing better. So yesterday, Bitcoin dropped, right? What was it, like 0.84%? Right now, it's dropping 0.02%. Sitting at 65.24% of market cap. I do believe it's good. Bitcoin needs to drop more, but it needs to hold on to its value. Where's Bitcoin at? $34,764.67. So remember, we were calling for this divergence. We said it could drop here and still have it. Guess what? We still have that hidden divergence for potential action to the upside against the MACD and the RSI. Neutral 54.20. What? The chat must say my goal is trying to make him spit spit milk out of his nose. I don't drink milk, man. Sorry about that. You might get him to spit whiskey or something else, water, but not milk, dude. Thanks for that, man. Right on. So high, right? Bearish divergence, action downside. Still holding on to support, 34,438. A lot of people freaked out with this candle. Look at where we came to, dude. We came to support, right? Very, very close to 33,309. We just got to 33,400, right? So close to support. Good enough for us to like try to bounce from there. So again, not worried about Bitcoin yet. Still in the same channel, 37,275 to 34,438. We talked about this, right? We talked about this move. We said up here, look, we're rejecting too many times. It wouldn't be weird if we come down here to support, right? And we went down and now we're finding support. So it's all good, man. Bitcoin not doing that bad. Let's go and see where we're at with the micro fibs that we drew once. Remember? We drew like some very, very tiny fibs there. We're breaking below at 382, right? Let's hope we can get above that area. And on the larger fibs here, we're breaking below, sorry, that's not a fib. We're just breaking below at 382. So that's fine again. Not worried about Bitcoin yet. We had a triangle pattern drawn. It was in the 4 hour. So let's go to the 4 hour and see what we have. Send another chart, so we'll see in a second. Joshua says he bought the dip. Congrats. Bitcoin will test 38,000 again. Probably, man. Right, look, in the 4 hour we had strong bullish divergence developed. That's where we're taking the small pump. Now we're getting a retrace happening. I didn't post this one on the Discord. We had it on the 1 hour. I posted the one from the 1 hour and the half hour on the Discord. So now I wasn't super worried with Bitcoin hitting below 34,438. I was waiting for a bounce, and I put there, you know, waiting for a bounce, and we're starting to bounce, which was good. Now, what's Bitcoin doing on the other charts that we have? Triangle on this one. I can't remember if the triangle's on this one. No, it's on this one. Yeah, there we go. So we are breaking the larger triangle, right? But we're still within this other much larger, sorry, the minor triangle. We're still within a larger triangle. So again, I'm not worried about Bitcoin yet, right? So let's wait and see how Bitcoin's going to behave throughout today, basically, before we actually do something there. Don Juan, hi, can you take a look at Nexo? Right, sure, man. I'll write Nexo in. MA, what up? Thank you for being here, man. Well, let's keep checking this, man. What is happening then? We're taking a bounce again, going higher, right, on the bullish divergence. We didn't quite hit that 20, and we rejected. So, do we have something bearish? Not on the 4-hour. High-low. Possible is positive. High-low on the other side. Everything's good, right? The only thing that we had was this strong bullish on the 4-hour. That's it. We didn't even have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. What?
Trump equals Blue Falcon fake. Love your stream. Here's $1 to make up for free speech.
Thanks for that awesome $10, man. I updated some of the things that pop up, right? So there's different things that pop up at different levels. Not many, but, you know, a little different things that pop up. So I just saw Barney saying it's going to be legendary, and it is legendary. Thank you for that, man. Thank you for that awesome tip, man. I really appreciate it. AD, well, how's it going, man? Bernardo Costa, how's it going? Love the stream. I also love being here, man. Bring facts. Good evening. Thank you for being here. Again, bullish divergence, moving up, rejecting slightly. Nothing else happening on the 4-hour. So again, what I'm looking for right now would be a cross of the MACD over the signal line on the 4-hour. That could bring a good in. I do believe we're still above that 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart. And if that is the case, we could be still, you know, we're still way above there. So it could be still another bullish pump coming in, right, on that cross. So fingers crossed, we get the MACD going over the signal line, and then we pump. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. What? Another one?
Can we look at that? Also, the man.
Thanks for that, man. Yeah, we can look at VET. And on $5, we were supposed to get something different. It was just like a Goku Super Saiyan, but for some reason that one didn't come up. So I did try to fix some things on the chat, on the Discord, on the stream to make it better. Sorry about that not coming up properly. I'm still working on the stream, right? And I am trying to improve the stream more. There's so many things that are cool that are going to be happening soon, man. And I thank you for that awesome tip, Mamba for Life. I really appreciate it, man. Oh, it didn't come up because it was $3.93 dollars American. But if you tip $5 US, you should get a Super Saiyan Goku or something like that. So, but thanks for that awesome tip, dude. I was like, wonder why it didn't come up. It's because it's Canadian. It showed me the dollar amount, and I was able to spot why it wasn't coming up. But thanks, man. I thought it broke or something. Thanks for the donation, man, for reals. Let's keep rolling. Francisco Peña, CVC, sure, man. Why not, right? Just try to use proper format, guys. Really helps me out a lot. Right on. On the 1-hour Bitcoin, what do we have? We had bullish divergence, right? We called for a move down and creation of divergence, so we did get it. That's freaking great. I love it that we had bullish divergence action to the upside. You know, got above that 20. Right now we're losing the 20 moving average, unfortunately. But even on this shorter piece, right, we still have that bullish divergence just on this slight last bit. And then what happened that came and ruined the party? Well, this hidden bearish. So we know hidden bearish is usually not as strong. It does imply sideways action or a reversal to the downside, but it's not as strong bullish, right? Strong bullish does have the edge. And if we're bullish enough, this should not drop lower than this previous low. And if that is the case, we could be looking for a reversal and maybe a retest of 37,200. Now, what happens if the hidden bearish does bring us down? Elio, thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. What happens if the 1 hour, if the bearish divergence, the hidden one, kicks in stronger and drops us below 34,000? Well, what I would expect to see if that is the case, it would be maybe going slightly lower here with less negative momentum, right, from the highest point here on the island, right? Less negative momentum and higher on the RSI, and create some strong bullish divergence for a reversal to happen. That would be what I would be expecting to see. I hope, like you know, it's Bitcoin. It could take a massive dump, but like, you know, this would be my expectation, right? Right now, we failed to drop. We're finding support at 34,438. We try to pump there. But if we fail, drop lower, I would be expecting to see at least some kind of bullish divergence to try to kick us back up. 948 Soccer, what's up, dude? It's a dip you're waiting for? Run with your wallet, man. If that's a dip you're waiting for, you're there, man. Vote. Can you get a roll in Discord? Sure, man. Jake is going to help you out with that because I'm on the stream right now. But otherwise, let me know. When you guys are off the air, let me know who you are. I can give you rolls on Discord, right? But thanks, man. Thanks for that, man. Let's go. Let's go to the half hour because I charted there a little bit earlier today, right? And I posted stuff in the Discord. What's happening in the half hour Bitcoin? Let's check. Let's go, Bitcoin. Do it. Right, so first things, right? We had the bearish divergence, 2 in the morning, hidden. Breaking us down. Remember, we even drew that resistance, which we broke, which was fine. We had bullish divergence, broke it, created that hidden bearish, breaking us down, right? This bearish, I just switched to yellow. Then we dropped lower, and we created this strong bullish divergence fraction to the upside. What happened then is that we hit the 20 and we rejected. So upon that rejection, we're looking for, we came lower, create some slightly more strong bullish divergence, or medium bullish divergence. I think we came more or less sideways in the price. And we're with this medium bullish divergence, we're taking a pump, right? And that is also giving us a slight or a small double bottom happening on Bitcoin half-hour chart, right? Now, the neckline to beat was here. But I think we struggled too much to get above this small double bottom, right? And we're actually way below it again. So it could be that this double bottom's not going to play out and we could drop again. Or we might create a double bottom on the 1 hour chart, right? Which wouldn't be weird if Bitcoin comes down here again, right? To the same level or close to the same level of price in the 1 hour. We have less negative momentum. We have medium bullish divergence. We're creating a double bottom here. And we could be looking for action to the upside, which would be really, really cool, right? Something 3% what? Yeah, Grayscale almost 3%. Yeah, not true, Shatna. But that would be really cool. Going to test 34K soon. Yeah, probably. We already retested it once, right? But we're looking like, it looks like it wants to go up, but we're rejecting the 20 in the 1 hour. On the half hour, I don't think I saw anything that was like, you know, strong bullish. We have some hidden bullish that could play out. Again, we'd rather go with something else, but I guess we could go with this low to high. It's just on the half hour. It's on the half hour. Great. The negative, more negative, right? So hidden bullish, potential action to the upside. Maybe a retest of that 20, right? We're diverging a little bit, MACD and signal line. You're not going to be able to see them that well because the signal line is right on the red, but it's right here. So we're slightly diverging, creating more negative momentum. I'm waiting for a cross here also, right? We're below the 0 line, so we get a cross soon. That could shoot the price of Bitcoin back up, and that would be really good for Bitcoin. So let's see how this keeps on playing out. Again, hidden divergence, keep on dropping more, make more negative momentum, and we'll still have it, right? So that being said, let's go check out Ethereum. If you didn't pump me up, what kind of co-host would you be? Someone needs to give Jake around for his money. Right, man. Cool. You guys can have a co-host war there or something, man. Let's go to Ethereum at $1,325. What is going on there, man? Bearish divergence, moving down again. Look, remember Bitcoin? It got to its all-time high, then it dropped slightly, and then it took another run at it. And if you don't remember, I'll refresh your memory for Bitcoin. And I said Ethereum could do something similar. Bitcoin at 20K. When was that, man? It was a while back. So, oh, I went way back, man. All right. So let's find Bitcoin at 20K. Here we go, man. Right, dude. Why can I not see Bitcoin at 20K, dude? Right. So here it is. Right. 20K was here slightly higher, right? This was our previous all-time high, 1,999. Look at that. We went up, right? Hit it, rejected, right? Rejected slightly, came back to this channel, right? Of 19,400 to 17,000, and then we went up again, right? Look at what Ethereum is doing on right now, right? Let's go to now. It went up, rejected, back on this channel. So if Bitcoin allows, right? If Bitcoin allows Ethereum to do its thing, it could pull a Bitcoin or move sideways into this channel for a little bit. Right, 1,387 to 1,292 before we actually break up and try to run again. And that would be really cool. David Davian, Ren. Yeah, someone already requested Ren earlier, I think. Yeah, it's already in the list. Thanks for that, man. So let's keep it rolling, right? Bearish divergence moving down. Still within the channel. Let's go to the 4-hour. Bearish divergence moving down. Here we broke below the channel, but we still had support. We managed to hold support at 1,261 before we actually pump back up to retest 1,387 and then moving down on this immediate candle. So see how Ethereum is holding out better than Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin didn't recover again all the way up high, but Ethereum, it is recovering much better, right? So with that, again, cool stuff. Michael Rosario, thanks for being here, man. Bitcoin Cash, sure, bro. It's not on the list, but you won against Bitcoin. What? Right on, dude. Why not? Ethereum. What's going on with Ethereum? Bearish divergence. Did we create something hidden bullish? Yeah, we create some hidden bullish. Look at this. Low, high. Get rid of that in the half hour. There we go. Negative. More negative, right? Low and there is at the lower point. Hidden bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. We got that pump. Rejecting here the previous resistance at 1,387, which is okay. We don't have anything bearish there. Neutral at 52.75 on the RSI, man. On that note, let's go to the 1 hour. Bitcoin Jake is everywhere. Yeah, he's everywhere, dude. I can attest to that. I write him on the Discord. He's there. I write him somewhere else. He's there, dude. He's everywhere, dude. He pops up all over the place. I ping him on Twitter. He's there, bro. It's like, what? By the way, Jake, I sent the money today to the crypto coin display guy so he could send me the awesome display that we're going to put back here. That's going to have a ticker for cryptos running through. I hope it's going to be big enough for you guys to be able to read. But I do believe it's going to be really cool to have that display back there. It's going to be about 20 inches. So it should cover a good chunk of that. And it would be really, really dope. So I'm really excited. I'm not sure how quick I'm going to get that from the US to Mexico, but it's going to be real interesting. Hey Smith, do you even know who I am? Agent Smith? Are you from the Matrix? Neo, right? Or something like that. I'm not sure, man. You could be the evil guy from the Matrix. Anyways, what we had here, right? We were looking for that hidden bullish. We did take a pop. We felt it hit the 20. We dropped lower on the 1 hour Ethereum. Look at that what happened. We came down here. We tracked that onto there, and guess what happened afterwards? We also developed it against the RSI, right? So remember how I told you this thing can keep on dropping? This is a perfect example of how this divergence can keep on dropping, right? Until it actually kicks in. It does kick in slightly. Right here, it gives a little bit of that sideways motion before it actually dropped it again. We created, now we're getting that reversal, right? So like I said, not the most reliable indicator for bullish divergence, but it's pretty cool. Right on. So high, low, positive, positive, high on the other side, lower point. Neutral at 46.56. That's it for Ethereum right now, right? They're trying to like break below that support of the 20. Actually, I'm going to go to the half hour Ethereum. And I'm going to check it out, right? Half hour. There we go, man. Oh, we had that triangle. We broke down. Great. Then we move down on the half hour. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Nothing there. Right, we're coming up higher. Do we have some divergence here? High, low, positive, less positive, high. There's a lower point. Nothing there, man. High, higher, high, higher, higher. Nothing bearish, dude. Again, it's just Bitcoin moving it down. It doesn't have anything bearish on its own. Ethereum's actually good. Neutral at 44.45 on the RSI. Bitcoin, you're a party pooper sometimes. We love you because you pump so much, but dude, let the alts run. So Ethereum, again, like I said, holding on its ground against Bitcoin, right? It's holding on good. So, but right now it's losing a lot more than Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin's just dropping 2.96. Ethereum's dropping almost 5%, 4.48 right now. XRP managing to pump, man. What? Yes, cellular. Hey, I never heard of that. I don't think I've heard of that. So, yeah, tell me more. Video console, 33K? Sure, man. I doubt it. We can go there. We have support, right? We talked about that. We already covered that earlier. It was the first coin we checked. Wait for a recap. If you want me to look at Bitcoin again, I'm not going to go check it out again right now. Low, high, right? Look, we dropped slightly more. There we are. And here we go here. Hidden bullish divergence for XRP. Let's go to the one daily first. Where are we at on the daily, man? Well, we're still in the same area. Below 29.89 and above 27.911. So on that same channel, sitting at 29.80. Not doing anything on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour. Bearish divergence moving down. Great. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, there side to a higher point. Nothing bullish. Riding up a little bit. That's fine. Hitting resistance, and we'll see if we manage to break above 29.89. A lot of people are probably happy because it got to like 31 cents. I can imagine a lot of people getting super excited for XRP just going up here, but it's super weak. It's just been on this area for a while, man. Joshua Dorval, hello, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here. I thought I said hi earlier to you. Was it someone else that I said hi? But thank you for being here. Much appreciated. Julian29, what's up, bro? Thank you for being here. Right, so high, low, positive, positive, high on there, side lower point. Neutral at 54.81. High, higher, positive, higher. Great. Nothing here to complain about, right? Hidden bullish, trying to rally a little bit, right? Got above that 29.89, and now breaking back down again. It is very weak. XRP is so weak right now. Just be careful, right? Carthago, thank you for being here. Much appreciated. Soul Dave, hey. Let's go check out Litecoin. Because, XRP is just, it's 29 cents, below 30 cents most of the time. Really failing to perform. I don't have anything against it. It's just, it has so many bad news around it. Until we get some clearance there, it's still going to be horrible. Thank you guys for being here again. We only have 33 likes. What? There's so many people here. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Come on, let's get to 100 likes, and let's see if we can break the mythical 1,500 sub mark tonight. I'm not sure how many we're at right now. Sorry, guys. Got a freaking itch in the nose. Where are we at? 1,481 still. Awesome. We'll break it tonight. We'll break it. I'm confident that tonight somehow will magically break 1,500 subs, and I'm going to go to sleep a happy man. By the way, my mic arrives on Monday, and my stream deck apparently is going to arrive on Friday, which is really, really good news. I'm so excited for that. Yeses. No one's asked for Anchor yet, but please try to go with proper format, right? I'm going to start ignoring. I don't want to be like mean to you guys, but I'm going to start ignoring if the requests don't come in proper format, because look, it just basically depends on me looking at the time, and if you're lucky enough that I see it, I'll do it. But if I don't see it because the chat's going up so quick, I might take someone else's, and then you're gonna feel bad because I didn't see it. So if you use proper format, me or the mods can find it, and it's easier for us to track. And the mods let me know when we're live what's come up through proper format, right? We do have a live chat request there, and Jake just let me know all this information. He puts it there when we're live, right? So I know what's being requested on proper format. So please, just go with proper format. I'm not going to write it down right now. So if you want me to look at that, Anchor, please just go with proper format. I really appreciate it. Turkey Sitar, stop. Thank you for that, man. Much appreciated. No worries, yeses, but, we'll try to go with that, right? Anyways, Silver Bird, you smashed the like button. Thank you. Ooh, I cannot read that. Thank you, Silver Bird, for that, though. I cannot get political on the channel, guys. It's against YouTube conditions, I guess. So, yeah, I don't want to get strikes. But let's go to the 4-hour. Bearish divergence. Movement down. Great. Low. High. Remember how we said if these fails to drop lower than the low, we could get continuation? We try to pop, hit the 20 and rejecting. We're creating hidden bullish still. Low, high, right? So we'll go with that. No need to ban people, dude. We don't ban here. I'm against censoring, but if people come here and are rude just for no reason, other than just being rude, I would definitely check for bans, right? 0.21. What is this here, dude? 41.89, 41.77, still slightly less. So we have this hidden bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. We're taking a pump, heading for that 20, but we're like finding resistance there, and we're rejecting. So neutral at 46.14. Snoozle. Top 3 altcoins. DVT, Ethereum, and apparently Link now because I hold some. So those will be. The daughter's like refusing to go to sleep. She's just freaking crying. Like for reals. Like I don't ban people. I don't block people on Twitter. I don't block people anywhere. I hate that. Like if like a lot of people are part of the community and they said like, oh, we're against censorship. We're against this. We're against that. But when they don't like a comment, the first thing they do is delete it or just block people on social media. Which again, you're against censorship, but you're censoring people. It's a little bit of like a hypocrisy, right? So you're being hypocritical if you do that. Again, not trying to say anyone's doing wrong, but I don't believe that. I believe in the freedom of speech, and y'all can write whatever you want, just as long as you're not offending other people, and you keep the conversation cordial on the chat. So you might get timed out for the bot, or you might get timed out from the bots, but banning would be like the last measure. You would really have to do something really bad, and it's actually in the rules for the mods that if they're gonna ban someone, they need to document it so we can review it after the stream as to why that person got banned, and they gotta let me know like what happened and why they got banned. So we don't ban, right? YDVT, I love it, dude. Long-term outlook. They do pay cold rewards. 1 coin, 1 vote. There's so many things. Jay can give you a lot more information on that. Andrew, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here. Litecoin, taking that pop rejection, right? Neutral. Let's go to the 1 hour. Chadma says, what? You need your own box? Right. You can do the you can do the like signals for the hearing impaired. I'll give you that job, bro. Well, you'll be like a tiny box that shows up somewhere here, and just like be flipping your hands and like doing the sign language for the hearing impaired people. Anyways, Litecoin, low, lower, negative, less negative, right? Strong bullish divergence happening here on the 1 hour. That would be really cool, actually, if I could get something like that. I know, like, YouTube has captions. It's fairly good at captioning, actually. I'm not against it. But that could be wild, right? Like, if we could get something like that happening someday, maybe. I'm not sure how that would work out, but... Anyways, I'm doing it here in 2 parts, right? From here to here, we have strong bullish divergence. Took a pop, rejected. Previous 100%, right? 146 from... we already established that. That was on June 19th. June 2019 or something like that. And now... we also have this strong bullish divergence, but now against the RSI as well. Taking that pop, getting above the 20, but like Bitcoin, failing and moving down below its previous 100%. Right now at $144.04. Let's go to Binance. What's up with Binance on the daily? Bearish divergence moving down, breaking below the 20. Oh no. Really? Not a lot. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a hard point, neutral. 53.30. Let's go to the 4 hour. Lara, how's it going? Thank you for being here. Don't touch it as your square. You're not there yet, bro. When you're there, like this small square that I'm going to highlight here, somewhere around here, yeah, I won't be able to touch, right? Cone Wannabe, how's it going? Thank you for being here. Pankaj, thank you for being here. Sugar Patel. Even if it drops, yeah, dude, you got to look at the longer picture, right? The only reason that you're worried about a drop is if you're willing to add more, or you took a bad position, right? You enter at an all-time high, and now you're taking a hit. That would be the only good thing. The only thing I can see, right? Duluum? Sure, bro. Holy cheap. How's it going, man? Yeah, I know. So it's basically a live show on what the markets are doing, what they're doing and what they can do, right? At work, we're talking also about what they can do. Oh, right, it's gotten too large again. I deleted so much stuff from the charts the other days, and it's still giving me that warning, right? Am I live now? Yes, I'm here, fatty. Thank you for being here. This from like the 1 hour or something. I forgot to anchor all these yesterday, man. It's so messy. I hate it. There we go, right? We were looking for that hidden bullish divergence yesterday, right? For action to the upside. Look, we still got it against the RSI, not against the MACD, right? Against MACD, we didn't have it. But action to the upside, that's what we're looking for. So we started to pump a little bit, rejecting. Maybe in the 1 hour we have a better clue. Created some hidden bearish or something like that, right? Kelton, how's it going? Thanks for being here, man. I'll do that once I go back to Bitcoin, man. I already checked out Bitcoin. Right, so on the recap, right? We lost whatever kind of bullish divergence we had here, I guess. Let me double check. Yeah, lower. Yeah, definitely, right? And look at what happened, though, right? We dropped slightly more yesterday. Ever so slightly. And then we created that strong bullish divergence still once more against the MACD, but now also against RSI. You know, we lost it against RSI at first, but now we recreated it. Action to the upside, we got that pump, right? Now, we remember how we said we created some hidden bearish to move us down on the 4 hour? Look at this, right? Look at this, boom, boom, right? And now we don't have it here against the RSI. Neutral at 41.87. So right now the action's to the downside. We're below the 20 moving average. If we try to recover, we're going to face it as resistance. And it's really Binance. I think it's going to depend a little bit on how Bitcoin plays out. But Binance, I think it has a little bit more merit for standing its ground against Bitcoin. And the reason is Binance has the exchange, right? And if you use Binance Coin or Binance Dollars, you get benefits. So a lot of people in the exchange go out to Binance, and that could be part of the reason that Binance holds a little bit better, right? What software am I using? That's TradingView. Thanks for asking. Right on. So that's it for Binance. I'm going to start moving through the requests. Someone requested DOT. So we'll do that one first. Let's see DOT. How's it performing against what we were looking for? So we had bearish divergence, moving down. We moved down. We're consolidating. Took a pop. Failed to go higher than the previous high. Oh no, dude. It looks like we could be double topping here. Could be a double top. Man, not sure. We do have bearish divergence though, right? Medium bearish divergence. Same high on the price, right? And then we're going lower on our indicator, which would put that bearish divergence in play for potential action to the downside, right? We could be moving down, and again, could be a potential double top building there. Moving down would first have us trigger the 236 at 14 point. Sorry, this is not the 236. This is a like 2618. Yeah, the 2618 at why do we zoom out again, right? At 14.46, and if we break there, we're gonna try to find support at the 20 moving average at 12.24. Those are our targets, right? So, on that, Timothy, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here, man. Danny E, thanks for being here as well. Thanks for that, man. Thanks for being here and the continued support. I really appreciate it. If you guys like what we do, hit like the bell and sub. Help me get to 1,500 subs. It's gonna be so awesome. Like, I actually want to get to like 10K, dude. Like, I'm so pumped, dude. It's like super cool to see the channel grow. Binance is dropping to 14K? Binance is not even at 14K, dude. Binance is like dollars, right? $20 or $40 or something like that. So. Anyways, DOT at $17.08. Again, moving down, right? Bearish divergence, potential double top. Let's see how it's going to play out. We rejected last time, right? The 3618? Yep, yeah, 3618. And we're moving down. Dude, I'm not sure why I have a massive itch on my nose. It's just freaking crazy, man. Right, thanks, Jake. I got Loom on the on the list now as well. Thank you for that, man. Your cat's watching the stream too? That's cool, May. Get him a like a YouTube account and then hit sub for the cat as well. Everyone's so bearish. Yeah, look, it's fine, right? People can be bearish. People can be bullish. It's fine, you know. We'll see. Everyone, it depends, right? Look, Steve, and that's something I told people before. If you're getting at 40K and you're at 34K, you're probably super bearish right now. But if you're getting at 9K and you're still sitting at like comfortable, or you're getting like at 4K, 3K, 7K, you're sitting there comfortable, you're probably still super bullish. You're like, dude, whatever, it's a dip, I don't care. But the guy who entered higher it's probably looking at this with different eyes, right? And he's like, oh, dude, I'm taking a massive hit. If this drops to 30,000 and I get in at 40K, I'm losing 25% of my value. That's insane, right? So again, people are bearish because it really depends how bullish or bearish you are, depending on when you enter the market and how you are with the market, right? But anyways, yeah, Asia started to drop this, right? So, yeah. Carthago, I agree. I do believe Asia started to drop the market. What do we close here? 1798. 1798, great. 1798, 9. All right, 1798, 1798, right? So $17.98 on both tops, just fractions of cents. I'm gonna move sideways here. Tongue twisted. I'm gonna go sideways and say we're creating medium bearish divergence, right? And a potential double top. So that's where we're getting the action, or could be getting action to the downside. Immediate support at the 20 moving average. Let's see if we manage to hold on to that. If we hold on here and try to pop again, we would be getting rid of this divergence. We might create positive momentum, and then we'll be still creating a strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. So we're not out of the woods, and that could happen by the time we get here to 1922. But right now, what we have is this. I'm telling you the possibilities, right? Right now, we're looking for a moving down. If we fail at 20, looking for a moving down, maybe a retest here of this area at 1447 or the 20 on the 4 hour. I think it was slightly higher. But if we do bounce and we go higher, we're going to create bearish divergence. It's going to start putting pressure on that price to drop, right? So neutral at 56.57 right now. That's it for DOT. I'm the most underrated crypto YouTuber. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Crypto State. What? Willing to check Aave. Sure, Snoozle. Go with the proper format. I'll write it down, right? I'm only taking requests today on the proper format. I do want to get people to use it properly, because right now it just happens that I looked over and I saw it, but there's people that typed coins before you that I haven't seen, so it's unfair for them, right? Litecoin, Justin, I just did Litecoin. It was the 4th coin I checked. Fatty, my channel is fun. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, we take it seriously, but also at the same time make it fun, right? So, thanks, man. I appreciate that. My thoughts on CME gaps. Yeah, they usually get closed. We've left a couple open. But, you know, right now I'm not super worried. We actually left one open to the upper side, I think, and we haven't closed it, so we'll see. We'll check. We can check out the CME gap, right? I'll write something there for the CME gap. Look, guys, I changed my writing method today. I actually got a notebook, and I have all the coin requests that are here already, plus recaps that are being requested. So, yay! No longer the little square notes, actually, because I ran out of them. So that's pretty good, right? Denon, you're feeling lucky? You just short 10,000 contracts at 34,400? Right. Well, I also hope you can take her to steak dinner and not ramen dinner, right? That's usually how it goes. When you do good, you eat steak. When you do bad, you're eating pasta, right? So let's hope you take a steak contract and not a pasta contract there, man. Thoughts on H-Bar, Julian? That's actually the next coin. It got requested, so yeah. Thanks for that, man. Let's DOT. Let's finish DOT first. Neutral at 56.58. Let's go to the 1 hour. Same move, right? Here we don't have it as neat as we had on the 4 hour. And just this lets me know that I forgot to anchor, basically. Because this was from the 4 hour. And, you know, I hate it when I forget to anchor. Because everything looks so shitty when I come to the lower time scales, man. Yo, let's check this, man. There we go. I cannot go from here because we have an island. And, wow, that sucks. I'm actually going to get rid of this. There we go. I thought I was able to anchor from back here from some divergence. I can't. Last time we have 0, so high, higher, positive, positive, high, higher. Everything's good here. Low, lower, negative. Do we do more negative? We're coming lower on their side, definitely, but here I'm actually going to check. Wow, we had some strong bullish divergence. Great. So, from here to here. That, I'll leave to there. That works there as well. Make sure this is only going to be here on the 1 hour, right? So, negative, less negative, right? And on the price, we're definitely coming from here to here, right? So, strong bullish divergence, action to the upside, took that pop. Right now, we don't have anything bearish. Oh, no, we do, against the RSI. Just very, very slight, though. And I almost missed it, because it's so slight. We're going from here to here, right? Higher, and here we're coming lower, right? So, there's some strong bearish divergence there for potential action to the downside. We're going down. Target right now would be the 20 at 16.47. If we drop there, we're looking at, again, like I said, right, the 2618 here at 1446, 1444, around that area. If we hit the 20, we find support on the 4 hour, the 1 hour, we could try to bounce and hit that $19 mark, right? The 2618 here. And that's slightly higher up here at, what was it? At 19.20, right? So around there. That's it for DOT. Let's go to H bar. Jesus Naranjo. What's going on with Bitcoin? Well, already covered Bitcoin at the beginning. I'll cover it in a recap later on throughout the stream, probably mid part of the stream. After Loom, I'll do a Bitcoin recap, basically, right? So that you have to wait like 9 more coins for that to happen, though. Or something like that. But thanks, man. Right, let's keep rolling. Daily. Again, very nice pump, right? I don't think we had anything bearish for this, because it was just like going higher, right? And it was good. It was higher and higher. Look, even on the RSI, we're still going higher. We're just like dying off slightly. Overbought at 86.26. It's highly overbought. So you got to consider that, again, it's crypto, right? An overbought in a bull market means jack. But the fact that you're buying overbought makes you think that you're buying at a premium. So do you want to buy at a premium? Again, right, it's a rhetorical question. You probably don't want to buy at a premium. You probably want to buy at a good entry level. And one quick second, guys. Yo, we're back. The daughter came back in. Yeah, Steve said the gremlins have arrived. Yes, something like that, man. Yeah, it's weird, man. Anyways, let's keep rolling, right? I just put the 2618 here. We hit it, we rejected it. Like that's what we rejected. That's fine. Nothing bearish or bought. Like, you know, I feel like I would be buying at a premium. I'm not sure if I want to buy there. We're not doing any kind of valid retrace yet for us to be able to say, wow, this is really going down. But, you know, that's this project, right? Let's go to the 4 hour. Guys, I'm not sure why I have a massive itch. Jason Lee, are you new? Not sure, Jason. You know, Bitcoin has to move sideways for alts to move. And, you know, Bitcoin shifting and moving moves the market with it. So, probably a little bit longer, right? Wrong here. Higher, right, on H bar against the MACD. We're fine, right? We're going slightly higher, but against the RSI, we are coming slightly lower. Bearish divergence strong. Action to the downside, moving down slightly. So again, very nice. No, we're not moving down slightly. We're pulling back down slightly, and it's probably because we still had it when we pumped up here, right? So, you know, there's a chance that we might go down. So right now we are overbought still at 81.06, and the fact that we were bought with bearish divergence could really mean action to the downside. So watch out for that. Wow, so much chat going on, dude. Sorry if I cannot keep up with all the chat, but thank y'all for being here, guys. If you guys like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub, right? Look higher, right? Higher, high. And then we're creating the strong bearish divergence here. And now we're starting to get that action to the downside. So, hello. Strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI near our resistance, right? That 2618 at 11.69 cents. It's bringing us down. Right now we're 11.21 cents. Tristan Nilo, how's it going, man? Wow, fill up the tip jar. Yeah, I think the super chats don't stick, but if you tip through fiat or crypto, it sticks around. So super chat gets deleted automatically. The other ones I have to, like, you know, empty out. But if the super chat ever becomes filled with fiat or crypto tips, so that means PayPal or crypto donations, I will empty it out, and that's not going to be massive because it's the first time it's ever gotten filled on that. The other day we got it filled, but it was pretty cool. Sorry guys, I'm not sure why I have a massive itch tonight. My mustache has me going nuts. I think probably there's a hair that's just messing around with me. I have to trim the beard tomorrow. The mighty TA beard. Bought at 66.17, right? That's it for H-bar, man. Again, moving down. Potential target at 20 on the moving down. At 9.73 cents. And if we break there, we're looking for a retest here at 8.33. Let's see what happens once we get to the 20. If that's going to be the target. That moving down would probably have us create some kind of hidden bullish. Then we could be looking for a potential pump. H-bar, done. Let's go to GRT now. Yeah, Tristan, no worries, bro. Thanks for requesting him on the chat, on the Discord. This is not the GRT we'll look at. This is the GRT we're looking for. Here we go. Let's go on the daily. It's high. Higher. Right, that's fine. Nothing here. We're moving down. Finding support around the 50. Trying to bounce back up. Rejecting the 382. And right now, trying to hold support at 51.92. So that's fine. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Yeah, that's amazing, right? Every time I mention it, the little graph pops up. Yeah, thanks. What is this from? Where are you coming from? It's from the 4 hour. Why is it here, dude? That's freaking weird. We're calling something, the head and shoulders, right? So broke it to the upside. We called this one late. We didn't call it when it happened. It was a post facto. I called it yesterday. So that's fine. We're looking for that hidden divergence to here. We dropped slightly more. Look how we said, right? Sideways motion. Rejected, right? Resistance. At the 382. Pull below the 50. Retrace, right? On the fibs. Still creating that hidden bullish and popping. So that's fine. We don't have it against RSI. We're neutral at 51.58. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Game addicted, bro. Bitcoin. We already did it, man. It was at the beginning of the stream. BitConnect. Sure, man. Saint Eve. Sure. Why not BitConnect? We already did Bitcoin, so I'm going to recap Bitcoin after Loom. That's a couple more coins in. So thank you guys for sticking around with me for that. Let's see if we can get 1,500 subs tonight. Cellular. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Low, lower, negative, less negative. Strong bullish divergence. Oh, I just moved the graph. Dang it. Literally, I moved the graphs. Not the graph chart. Here we go. Low, lower, and then negative, less negative. I'm going to ignore this small right now. And we don't have it here against our side. But strong bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. That's what I'm going to go with right now for my call, right? That's where we're getting the action to the upside, which is fine. And we're creating hidden bearish, though. So we're not completely out of the woods. We did wick the 382. But after that, we came down with the bearishness. And we hit resistance at 55.02, right? At a resistance that we have there. And now we're holding support at 51.92. So we know we have good supports and resistances on the graph. High, higher, right? And also here. High, higher. So we're neutral at 46.12. That's it for the graph. Now let's go to the next project. So the graph, where is it going to go before I actually move? Murph says loading. What? Am I stuck or something? Right, so moving down, right? Trying to hold that support at the 20 as well. If we manage to hold support, we could be looking for a pump. Again, retest this area. If not, we're dropping probably to 51 point, sorry, not 51.92, 50.04 or whatever this line is here, the 50% retrace. Neutral at 46.19. Great. That's it for the graph. Let's keep on moving, right? A lot of coins to get through. Wow, so many people in here. So many little likes. We're at half of the likes than people we have. Come on, hit the like button on the sub, guys. Thanks for being here. Let's keep rolling. Great. Bitcoin USD Bybit. We already have a Bitcoin chart open. It's the first coin we did, so it's going to be a recap. Right? Game addicted. So it's not going to be on Bybit. We're doing a couple of exchanges. I'm not sure I can bring the Bybit chart here. I've never seen it on Bybit, so, you know. But we'll do it on the ones that we have, right? And hopefully that will work for you. I hope. It should be more or less the same. It moves more or less the same around the same charts. But thanks for asking for Bitcoin again. On proper format, right? Thank you for that, man. Brian G. The E is more readable than before, but now everything is in all caps. I would turn off all caps. Maybe choose a font. Thanks, man. You know, I can't do that. Now I'm actually going with this Restream format here. And here's what we have, right? I cannot move a lot of things now. So it's all caps. This is the way it rolls. And that's the only thing I can do, right? Because it's one of the pre-formatted CSS things they have. So not going to be able to move that very much, right? Unfortunately. So it is what we have. It's more readable. I agree. So, you know, I did listen to you guys. I do listen to you guys when you come up with like things that I can help improve. But there's just so much I can do with these things, right? Some of these things are there. I cannot move the CSS for this. I had a CSS code before for when I was on YouTube only, and it stopped working. You know, when I went to Restream. So, you know, it's what I have, man. It's what I can work with. So thanks for that, man. Let's see what's going on over here on Twitch. Do we have Twitch chats coming through? I'm not even sure. Twitch's not even loading. Oh, Eyes Up Games. Thanks for being here. I hope you're still here. Thanks for being here, Upside Games. And then you gave me a little hi like that. Thanks. Let's keep the chat over here and let's keep it rolling, right? Caught the book, Rafael. Selling to future backholders? No, I'm not selling to future backholders. You're selling to future backholders? Maybe, man. I'm not sure. Right, man. Bybit, BitTC, USD. Sure, man. I'll copy that. I'll paste it somewhere else so I can check it out, right? Whenever we go back to Bitcoin and do that. So, thanks for that, man. And let's keep it rolling here, right? Anyways, pushing back up on the graph. That's great. We just finished it. So let's go to NAV. Someone requested NAV. Let's do NAV. Have we looked at NAV before? Don't look like we have looked at this before. Let's check it out. NAV on the daily. Right, so I'm trying to see if we're doing something that I can fib. And yeah, from back here probably I can fib. So, oh snaps, I didn't want to do that. There we are. This might be good enough for me to try to fib right now. Not that tool, man. This tool. Yeah, that high would work. And then I'll adjust the low in a second. Once I find actually the low, well, that would be the low. Great. Are we doing all-time highs already? Are we hitting it? Previous highs, sorry, local highs. It would look like that could be the case, man. Let me swim out. Yeah, we're past that, so. Nope, we just wicked it. Great. Wicked retrace below that 786, and now we're floating between that 786 and the 618, so fine. Let's see what we have here. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to hard point. Everything's good. Neutral at, sorry, bought at 65.12. And we don't have anything going on here that is bearish, right? So that's fine. Let's go to the 4 hour. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to hard point. Negative. Oh, are we doing something here? I'm not sure, man. It's something a lot more here, man. Where did this open? 1370, and then this one opened at 1371, slightly higher. I mean, we don't have anything because we're diverging. I was looking for some kind of like bullish divergence. We don't have it. That's unfortunate. Don't seem to have anything right now in the short term. We do have some strong bullish, though, right now, developing here on this last bit. So low, lower, right? Negative, less negative, low, lower on there. So we don't have it there, just neutral at 57.80. But we did get a contraction of the Bollinger Bands here, and that could bring the squeeze. We move down, create that divergence, trying to pop. And if this bullishness does kick in, we could see an expansion of the Bollinger Bands to the upside. That means the price of this asset could keep on rising. I don't have a lot here as far as horizontals. I'm gonna have to go look for stuff right now on the daily to check it out and see what we have there. But on the 1 hour, let's see, what are we doing? High, higher, See, when we don't have anything on one time scale, don't freak out. We can always come to a lower time scale to hunt for stuff. So, what is this high here? 3717, 374, slightly higher. Nothing here either, right? On this, I was looking for bearish divergence against the MACD. We don't have it, but we did create that strong bearish divergence against the RSI, right? So strong bearish divergence against the RSI, near resistance, right? Previous high from you know, whenever we anchored to. Not even sure if I'm able to see it here. I'm not able to see it. Somewhere back here, right? August 2020, we'll call, or abouts. Not sure. I'll zoom out on the daily and see where we're looking at. But bearish divergence, action to the downside. We move down on that. Great. Now, low, lower, right? Low, lower, negative, less negative. We'll just go with this one here. Negative, less negative. So this is all gonna be on the 1 hour. Did I botched it? No, it's in the 1 hour. Great. Negative, less negative, low, high on the RSI, right? I mean, I am. Check VT, please. Yeah, it's already in the list. It's number 10 actually. So one more project and then it's VT. High, low. What are we doing here, man? High, high, positive, more positive, high, high, right? Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low. Nothing here that is bearish. Here we had bearish divergence before we dropped. Before the drop, we had bearish divergence, and now we're moving down on that. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. But I don't think we created anything else, right? Even from here, low, lower, negative, or low, lower, right? So everything here is good, right? And now we went higher as we took that pump and more positive momentum. And with that, we are sitting neutral at 59.30, which, again, it's okay. It doesn't have anything bearish. Impulse up, consolidation, flagging. I don't like the way the flag looks. For me, this is too steep. But, you know, we're making a flag nonetheless, and that is pretty cool, man. David Devian, thank you for being here, man. Oh, dang. I couldn't do that. Why? Oh, this is why. Now I can. Right on. So that's it for this on NAV, right? Yeah, no problem, JK. Again, I think, you know, if we don't have anything, but if it were to drop somewhere, I would probably be targeting maybe some kind of support around this area. Let's see. Not really, man. I don't see any clear support here. Maybe some line here. Alt H. Let me draw the line, see if we can find something. Resisted, 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 right? Broke it briefly. Resisted, resisted. Broke it briefly. Resisted. Resisted. Yeah. Maybe 19.30 could become a support, right? And that's something I'm going to look for right now. On the daily, I told you I was going to check out when we drew this line too. And yeah, it would have been June 2019, right? So we're trying to hit highs of June 2019 for this project. We actually wicked them. Unable to sustain them. That's it for NAV. Well, let's go check out VT, man. VT. Someone requested yo-yo to Bitcoin. Sure, man. Let's do yo-yo to Bitcoin on Binance. Why not? Yo, Mamba, you said VT. Someone already requested VT. I think it was you or someone on the chat, on the Discord, but it's actually the next coin. Derek, thanks for being here. I much appreciate it. You think during your recap you could make a top 5 coins with bullish indicators or something like that? I know you don't do predictions, but top 5 recap would be nice. Yeah, we could try that, man. I mean, I haven't seen all the projects. I'm just looking at what we're looking at today, but, you know, you usually don't have time to watch all stream. Love to be able to get to go back and look at some of my TA for specific coins. Right. Yeah, I'm trying to like see how I can timestamp this. Still not 100% sure how this gonna work out, right? So figure out something for timestamping and make it better for y'all, right? So VeChain, dude, pumped, great, above the 1618, so very nice. We were looking for bearish divergence. We still have it. Remember we said we were starting to build this island? Look, it's still there on the daily. We just went slightly higher. We still have this bearish divergence, right? And still just go there, and still a strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside, moving down, but finding support at the 1618. So great for VT on the daily. Not a lot else developing, so let's go to the 4-hour. We had bearish divergence, right? We were looking for that action to the downside. Look at this. We still have it, right? Again, first island. So what we say, keep on tracking. There we go. We just went higher, and we don't have it against our side, just against the MACD. Potential movement to the downside. It is moving down slightly. Looks like it wants to hold on support. But it would be very nice if it came down to the 20, found support and pumped. That would actually be very good. The 20 right now at 3.04. And VT at 3.30 cents. So it's doing good, man, right? It had a good day yesterday. At some point in time, it was up like 14%. Like it closed 18% higher. So yeah, very good day for VT. Let's go check out the... again, let's finish the 4-hour. Bought at 62.50. Right, so that's it for this, man. Let's go to the 1-hour chart for VT and check out what it's doing. Look, we had bearish divergence to here, right? When we checked it out, it was around midnight. We pumped slightly more. We still had that bearish divergence against... The RSI came down to a 20, right? Came down to 20, found support there, and pumped higher. Bought on this small moving up. Now we're creating strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI, right? So from here to here, and here to here. So that's fine. And what we have right now developing here, and support, and at support, right? We're developing it at support. It is this hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside reversal. There's this very, very tiny island here of negative momentum. I wish I was going to ignore it, but I'm going to use it for the analysis because it supports why it could be moving up, right? 51.45, 51.90, slightly higher here. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. That hidden bullish could be a potential move to the upside. We have it near the 20 and near the 1618. So VT could be looking for a potential movement up again. And it would have some technicals behind it to get that small pump happening, right? Again, for all this, Bitcoin has to allow. Remember that. Is Bitcoin and Ethereum going to go back up soon? Yeah, I'm not sure. We looked at it at the beginning of the stream. I'll recap them for sure just after Loom, right? So I'll do recaps after Loom. Ren. The Ren. What is happening with Ren, dude? What is Ren short for? Renzo? Renard? The Relic? Dude, I'm going to actually extend this to see where we're at on the Ren, right? We had this channel here. Briefly broke out of it, but oh no, we came back in. Finding support near the 20, so that's fine. Let's go on the daily first. Nice that yesterday for Ren, we didn't have anything on the daily that was bearish. We still have nothing bearish right now. We're pulling back down. We're overbought at 81 right now, overbought at 75.42. On the daily, we're good, right? So nothing to look here. Let's go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, we had bearish divergence. We moved down on that. Near the 20, taking a pop, but look at this. We just go there. That tracks onto there. We still have that bearish divergence. Yep, still have it. And now even here on this short bit, from here to here on the 4-hour, we're going to have bearish divergence against the RSI. Strong bearish divergence. Moving down on that, right? Target right now would be the mid part of the channel. If we break there, the 20 moving average at 64.92. But again, bought at 61.69. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Great. Let's go to the 1-hour. What do we have on the 1-hour Ren? Last time we had was bullish here. Bullish divergence. Action to the upside. Popped. We didn't create anything bearish. We hit that area, moving down. We said we could come to the 20 midline of the channel. Broke slightly below it. We might have created some hidden bullish. Yes, hidden bullish. Look from here to here. And then let me just anchor this on the 1-hour. And we're going from here to here, right? So a hidden bullish divergence Action to the upside, got that pop. We created some strong bearish divergence after that, right? Look, high higher. And then positive, less positive. And high to low. So strong bearish divergence, action to the downside, moving down, hitting that 20, right? Finding support and trying to reject. So we don't have anything bullish right now. We're just trying to hold on to the 20. But if we lose it, we're very likely going to come here to the mid part of the channel, try to find support there. And we might create more negative momentum. We'll see once we get there. But actually, no, we actually might not create more negative momentum. We're going to go low, high, negative, less negative, low, high on our site, and we're not going to have anything. It could bounce on the mid part of the channel just on finding support. But we don't have anything. We're probably not going to have anything bullish for this. Short term for Ren. So we'll come back to it tomorrow, right? That's it for Ren on the 1 hour chart. Nexo up next. Y'all guys put so many requests out today on the Discord. That was so cool. How many people watching? A couple of guys watching. Thank you for being here, guys. Oh, there we go, man. Yes, this was an Nexo chart we were looking for. If you guys like what we do, hit the like button, sub. Let's see if we can get to the mythical 1,500 subs tonight. I'm not even sure how many we're at. Are we close? I'm refreshing actually to see we're close. Dude, we're 4 subs away. What? We're at 1,496. 4 subs away. Wow, that's cool, man. Jesse J, would you talk about what levels you think major supports and resistance at? For what coin, Jesse? I'm looking at Nexo right now. For Nexo? Bitcoin, right. When I do the Bitcoin recap, Jesse, I will talk about supports, right? Sure, man. Who was it that wrote about the triangle? Game Addicted, bro. I'll check the triangle when I get to your request. It's gonna be after Loom and after I do the recap for Bitcoin. So it's gonna be right after our Bitcoin recap. So that's pretty cool. Bitch, Jedi just sucked. Sure. Kyber. Yeah, bro. But look, Beach, I appreciate that you're requesting Kyber. I'll check it out. Just please go with the proper format. I am trying to get everyone to go on that because I'm trying to be as fair as I can to everyone. So just go with the proper format. It's gonna come up here shortly. Just go with that and we'll do it. Right. When's the recap? 1, 2, 3, 4 more coins. Well, 3 more coins after Nexo. Thank you, Jesse J, for asking that. So let's keep rolling. Tristan Martinez, 1,500 is a great milestone. Yeah, I know. Isn't that really cool, man? That'll be awesome. Right. Let's zoom in into Nexo and see what's going on, man. High. About the same high. A little bit higher. We can call here, we could call here sideways motion on the price. It is technically going slightly higher, but it rejected 100%. It's rejecting that 100%. Right now it's building some strong bearish divergence, right? So not strong, medium bearish divergence against the MACD, right? And the RSI. There's a possibility for it to go down, right, on rejection at a resistance at 73 cents. So not too hot, you know, found wedge, broke it to the upside, great. You know, came down, found support. Awesome. Let's go to the 4 hour chart for Nexo. Higher. right? Hello, hello, bearish divergence, action downside, move down, great. Now we went higher still. Here's what we did from the same point to here now, bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence, action to downside, moving down. Great, we don't have it against RSI. Then if I zoom in, we're going slightly lower, about the same height. Yep, about the same height. So I'll just go sideways motion here. And then we're still creating medium bearish divergence, but now also against the RSI. So potential action to the downside, moving down slightly. Looks like it wants to stagnate here. It would be really good if it came down to a 20 and found support, like we did here, right? Found the 20, found support and popped. That'd be really cool if it did that. Low, high, high, negative, less negative, and then less negative, low, high, and higher high. Nothing bullish right now. On the 4 hour for next, so just this bearish divergence. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Great. High, higher, positive, one positive, high, higher on their side. Nothing bearish here. Then we broke down and we created some hidden bullish on Nexo, right? And that's why we're taking that small pop. We're above the 20, which is fine. Again, being above the 20 puts us in a position where we try to run to the upside, and that's what we want to see ultimately for all the projects that we're invested in, which is, you know, the goal of investing, right? So your money go up. So neutral at 53.86. Let me actually zoom out, see if we're doing something else as a pattern, but I doubt it. To me, it just looks like, you know, we're more or less moved sideways over the last couple days. We dropped a little bit, now we're recovering to that same height. We're not really doing anything. The trend is upsloping, right? And I'll even put a trend line there so you guys can see. Parallel channel. Go like this. Go here. As you can tell, upsloping trend line, right? Very nice looking so far. So that's our trend, upsloping. As long as we stay, right now we're hitting the 20, sorry, the mid part of that trend line. But if we stay above there, right, if we manage to get above this area, we could be looking for a higher move. If we don't move above that area, right, and reject it, we could be looking for a move down to the 20. So just want to see how that's holding on. As you can tell on the 1 hour, right, we're very, very close to that 20. So that's it for Nexo. CVC. Flint Savage. XLM. Sure, bro. I'll put XLM on the list. China's pumping as it's waking up. Dude, China woke up like 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago, man. Double B, what's up? Thanks for being here. Let's keep rolling. Nexo, that's it. Nexo. CVC, right? Sounds like a pharmacy chain. Bearish divergence. Action to downside. Drop. Great. We haven't created anything bullish. We talked about this horrible triangle that we're making. It actually made this project look as though it was not really consolidating, right? Look at that. Resistance, right, every time there. And here. This horrible triangle that we're about to like get to like completion, basically. And it's not the best looking, right? But, you know, it is a triangle nonetheless. It's huge. We'll see how it's going to play out. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, under, set to higher point. Neutral at 55.71. Again, triangles can break either way. It's really nothing there, right? Yeah, almost 1.5, dude. I think we might be at 1.5. Nope, 1,496. 4 more subs to go, man. Spencer R, can you cover Litecoin? Spencer already covered Litecoin. It was the 4th coin. You gotta wait for a recap, right? I was gonna be after Loom, so 2 more coins and then recap. The false flags. Hello, how's it going? Look, triangle. I'm gonna get rid of this because you know. Did I leave it on the daily? Because I don't want it here. No, I got rid of it. We're probably talking about this as also happening here. So if I just go with the wicks, you know, we're gonna get touch points there on the triangle, so that's fine, right? And then I'll just go with the wicks in the bottom as well. Something like that, right? Great. So that triangle I was talking about, that big Dorito that we're forming. Let's see where it's gonna break. We're probably not gonna be doing anything here. It wouldn't be weird because we're just consolidating into a triangle. That means every time we go higher, it's less, so we're making less positive momentum, and every time we go low, every low that we make is a higher low. That also makes it a little bit higher, but we might, who knows? We might get a surprise. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low on the RSI, lower point, right? Against the RSI, we are. Right, there's a surprise I was telling you guys about. And this just creates hidden bullish, potential action to the upside, right? Neutral at 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. 47.13. How long have I been in crypto? It really depends, and I've answered this plenty of times. When did I start accumulating crypto, or when did I actually buy crypto? Because they're both different dates. I started accumulating crypto around 2016 with faucets and stuff like that, because I wasn't really sure if I wanted to get into this. But I actually started buying after on 2018, after the bear market kind of like was dying out, and so I started like accumulating on faucets prior to the run, and then buying actively after the drop of 2017. I hope that answers your question. So I've been in crypto for a couple of years, I guess you can say, depending on what date you want to consider my got-in date, you know. Will, thanks for being here, man. XVG USDT, sure, dude. XVG, we'll put it on the list, man. Right, let's keep rolling, dude. Just let me make sure I'm not missing anything here. I don't think that's it, dude. Awesome. Alright, so again, hidden bullish, taking a pop, hitting a 20, rejecting. Again, not weird. Right, making a triangle. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Oh, lower, no, negative, more negative, low on their side, lower point, nothing there. High, higher. Alright, here we had some bearish divergence here. I haven't looked at this project in a while. I'm not even sure what was the last thing we called here on CVC, right? Again, guys, if you don't ask for this projects daily or something like that, I don't give them continuation because they're not in my portfolio. I'm not looking out for them. I don't have an interest, a personal interest or a personal stake in them. So like you have to like basically request them. Batu Sai, thanks for being here, man. Thanks for your awesome support, bro, and thanks for being here. Much appreciated. The chief has spoken. How do you get into faucets? There's one that's called Free Bitcoin and freebitco.in, I think. And then you can claim there every hour. I rarely claim from faucets now because you just get the payouts so little, but you know, it's like you get 3 sats probably in a good day, or 4 sats, which is almost nothing, and you can only withdraw after you get like 35 or 30,000 sats. So it's gonna take you a lot of claiming to get it. I have like 30,000+, but you know, I'd taken out money out of the faucet before that change, and yeah, it did pay me out. So yeah. Jamie Bright, sure, man. I already established this on another stream. I'm not going to go into detail right now on divergence, but if you go onto our Discord and you go into resources, the first post there, it's actually an image on divergence, right? I'll show it here on the stream. It's there. It explains divergences, right? So it's there, it's free, you can check it out. I'll try to make a video on divergences. I just haven't had the time to do it, but you know, it's there. Join the Discord, man. A lot of information there, man. Yeah, no worries. Right, so what do we have here? Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, on their side, lower point. Nothing bullish here. High, low, positive is positive, high, low, nothing bearish, dude. Again, the reason that we're not having a lot of stuff here is because we're consolidating. Look, here we're looking for that bearish divergence, right? Hidden to move us down. Guess what? You moved us down, found support, popped, and you know, like when we're looking for that hidden bullish, the same thing happened, right? Hidden bearish, move down again. Down. There we go, man. That's it, dude. That's it for this, dude. I'm not seeing anything else on this project right now. What?
Congrats on the soon-to-be 1,500. What do you think about Rubik RBC?
Yo, thanks for that awesome tip, dude. Rubik is gonna skip the queue now, and it's actually gonna take place here after CVC, right? Actually writing down. RBC, I haven't looked at it. I think we might have looked at it, but I'm really not into that project. I don't hold any stake in it, but you know, guys, everyone can do their own thing, right? I haven't done my research on the project. I'll check it out though for you on technicals, and then you can also gauge more or less what you think, whether or not you want to get into it, right? Thanks for that, man. Jorge Carranza. What? Did I miss anything else here? Notorious. Thanks for being here, man. Yeah. False flex. I look like a dip. Like I dip what? I'm not sure what dipping is, dude. But Grant Andration. What's up, dude? Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciate it. Tobacco? No, dude, I don't do tobacco. I don't even drink, or I do drink, but I don't do tobacco, or I don't do any kind of other drugs. I've even drank here in the stream before, so that's fine. But no, not tobacco, dude. The only thing I smoked was cigars, but I only do like once a year, and I stopped doing it a while back, dude. I don't think I've smoked a cigar in over 2 years. You're in Nadal. Thanks for being here. Let's keep rolling. We don't do price predictions, man. If you're in the stream, you know that. We look at technicals. We tell you price action possibilities. We've called for prices action to the upside for around 58k, even 108 to 125. Yet to determine right later on, but thanks for asking, dude. I don't like to do predictions. You don't drink water? Huh. Oh wait, you do drink? Yeah. No, I do drink, dude. Just like, I was gonna say I don't smoke. I don't smoke anything. I used to smoke cigars. That was about it. Not even that many, dude. Like once or twice a year. That was about it. But I stopped that. CVC, that's it, dude. I'm not seeing anything else happening here. It's looking fine right now. I think I'm gonna do for this is get some fibs out here. We have a retrace and we could be bouncing between some areas. And I'm curious of that only. See? Rejecting that 50, might go for that 382 again. Where would we wick there and bounce? Here we also bounce there. But we just more or less moving sideways between the 618 and the 382. We're moving around that area since, let's see back here, dude. January the 12th. Right? So, great. RBC skipping the queue on the awesome tip from Jeff Joker. Thank you, man, for that awesome tip. I really appreciate that, man. RBC, man, let's go there. I don't think you requested a pair for it, so I can't see it here. Weird. Right, let's go to CoinMarketCap and see if we can find it there. Or CoinGecko, I'm not sure. I'll just go here first. Let's see where it's trading. That's 13 cents, not too bad. Oh, Uniswap. I'm not going to be able to chart it there, dude. Probe it, I might be able to do. Let's see. Okay, if it loads, I will check it out, right? It loaded. Awesome. It's not going to let me do anything. Shite. Trading View. Here we go. This one might let me do some stuff. Yay for Trading View. We'll see the MACD and the RSI out here, right? I cannot do the RSI. There we go. Great. Now let's adjust the MACD so we can look at it a little bit better. Well, just gonna make it columns and make it color green. Yeah, we're all right. So we're on the 1 hour chart. That's fine. We'll start here. We'll move backwards. So on the 1 hour, high, higher, positive, more positive, high on our side to a lower point. Great. Some strong bearish divergence building up here. For this, dude, I hate it when they don't allow me to move this freely. There we go, man. Yesterday I was strolling with one of this ones, dude. It was so weird. But anyway, strong bearish divergence, potential moving down, moving down. Now we're creating some hidden bullish, right? Low, high, negative, more negative. We don't have it against the RSI. Let's see, 50.03, 49 slightly. Yes, we do have it. It's just very, very slight. So hidden bullish, potential action to the outside. We took that small pump, but coming back down. Probably there's not a lot of volume traded here. And as you can tell, the volume's down. But, you know, right now, action to the downside, great. Hidden bullish, trying to go and pump. We're going to see if we're going to try to go higher than the previous high. That's what I would be looking for here. I don't have the 20 moving average. I don't think I'm going to be able to bring it out here. And it's gonna make it really cluttered and harder to see, right? So I know it's already hard to see here, but I'm sorry, man. Really? Are we at 1,500 now? to me, it's still... Yo, we are! What? Dude, 1,502! What the hell? That's so cool, man. Thanks, dude. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the awesome support that you give to this channel. I'm super happy that we are at 1,500 subs, dude. That's so cool, man. Thanks so much for that, man. You guys are like the best community out there for crypto, for reals. I'm really, really happy that we got there, man. I'm super excited. Thanks for the support that you give to this channel, guys, for reals. Like every day, like you guys are helping me grow. I'm so grateful to you all for this, man, for reals. It's so cool we got there, man. I was so into the analysis that I forgot to keep on checking, but wow, thanks so much for that, man. Whew, great. 97 likes, 114 likes, great. We also broke 100 likes. Thank you guys for that. Oh, it's so cool, man. I'm really happy, dude. High, low, positive, more positive, right? We had some hidden bearish here, man. Watch out for that, right? From in here, from here to here. We don't have it against our side neutral at 59. But from here to here, right? And then we're coming out lower, so we'd had some bearish divergence. That's why we started to struggle at this level, right? Strong bearish, struggle, now hidden bearish, moving down again. That's what we're seeing here for RBC. Now let's check the daily for RBC. On the daily, looks good. Like it just took off, right? It went from 0.008, so now at 11. So yeah, doing really good, right? It like 10 times your money very quick on this project. Wow. Higher, positive, more positive. Everything's going higher. We're obviously not going to have anything bearish here to look at. But doing really, really good. At some point in time, it actually went up and hit that 30-cent mark. That's insane, bro. That is insane. Hef Martin, great vibes. Thanks. Much appreciated. Started from the bottom now. We hear... What? Sorry, Dolby, I'm not sure what you're saying, dude. Yeah, this one, like, just went insanely high, man. This... Actually, I'm kind of like, I kind of hate the fact that I didn't get into this project now that I see that he pumps so much. And he was so cheap, dude. Oh, dude, why? Anyways, right now, it's a spinning train, right? It's going up high. It's not retracing, so I cannot do fibs on it. And it's what we have right now, right? So it's doing pretty good. Congrats if you're holding RBC, and particularly if you got in earlier. On the 12th. Hope I was able to mute myself before that sneeze. You think it's gonna hit $1? You picked up 10,000? It's pretty good dough. I cannot play that here on the stream, bro. I get copyright strikes, so no music. Only copyright-free music. It's boring, I know. But, you know, this copyright music is not so bad. Where's Ethereum in a year? Good question. Probably above 2,000 if Bitcoin allows, right? And 2,000 is even not that bad. So that's it for RBC, man. Thank you, Jeff Joker, for the awesome tip. And, yeah, we just finished that. So let's keep rolling. Up next, Bitcoin Cash to Bitcoin. That was the request, so let's check it. I don't think we've done it, but... Do I have it? Oh, I do have a chart. I just haven't looked at it in a long time. Let's go on the daily. When did we look at this chart? Last time we looked at this chart was back on June, and we had bearish divergence, and we just broke down since. So yeah, great. I'm just gonna go here, remove the drawings. I want a clean chart for this. There we go. All right. So obviously, we had some bullish divergence here on the daily, right? And in that price action to the upside also here, right? We don't have it against our side, so taking a small pump on that strong bullish divergence. We created some hidden bearish. Yep, hidden bearish. By the way, guys, if you don't know, Bitcoin Jake also has a YouTube channel. It's he does subreddit analysis, or not analysis, top 10 subreddits for Bitcoin, and it's a pretty cool channel. So if you want to show him some love as well, you can go check out his channel. It's Bitcoin Jago9. And you know, hit like and hit subs, right? He's a pretty cool guy. He helps out a lot with the stream, and basically he does it out of the kindness of his heart, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so show him some love if you want, and go sub to his channel as well. And you can find his channel also in the Discord if you're there. So it's almost daily, right? So not every day, but almost every day. You can also find it on the Discord if you're there, right? You're gonna be able to find it. So that's pretty cool. Like back here, also like lower, right? And then I'm gonna call this large one here first, right? Strong bullish, trying to move up. But short term, we have other divergences that develop from here to here. Also strong bullish, right? Strong bullish divergence. We also have it here, right, against the RSI. Even though we pumped, hit the 20 and rejected, we managed to go slightly lower also. Negative to less negative. And then low to high on the RSI. And that's pretty good, right? High higher, positive more positive, high on the RSI to higher point. Neutral at 53.57. Dynamic exceed. Yeah, bro. Just please, I want to bother you with something. Put in proper format, bro. I know you're here every night. I love to do exceed for you, but please just do that. Rubik, Robert Jones. We just did Rubik. It was the last coin. Just rewind a couple minutes, and you're gonna see that we just did Rubik, man. I'm sorry about that. Jeff Joker actually sent us a nice tip, and we just did it. So thanks for that. Can I still do Litecoin? I already did Litecoin, Spencer. I'm going to do it on a recap. And recap is coming right after Loom. And Loom is right after this chart, right? So let me finish this chart, and then we'll do the other ones, right? We don't have anything bearish, like high, higher, positive, or positive, high, higher. We're starting to flag here above that 20, which is fine. I don't think I can do fibs because we're not making a valid retrace. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. He's literally rubbered the last coin I did. So, yeah. Not that I don't want to check it out again, but, you know, I just finished it, so. And I got to keep on moving. I still have a list of coins to go. We still have 10 more coins to go. Right, bearish divergence strong. Moving down. Great. Low, high, negative. More negative, slightly, but more negative. Low, high. Hidden bullish, right? Trying to pump, actually, to here. And then, you know, we're dropping so lower. Right, lower low. And did I forget to anchor this? So it's going to be a mess in a little bit. So, dang it, dude. Why did I forget to anchor? I hate that. Quick cleanup on Bitcoin Cash to Bitcoin, man. Anyways, strong bullish developing here. Action to the upside. Trying to go up, but failing until here, right? We took off slightly. High, low, positive was positive. We have it. Positive, more positive, high, higher. Everything here is good. Nothing bearish. So we're just moving sideways, right? That's all this is doing against Bitcoin. It's just more or less holding. Expanded a little bit to the upside, but, you know, almost at the same level that it was prior to that. We might be finding some support here. I wouldn't be against calling some support here, maybe. Rejection, rejection, right? Support, rejection. Support, rejection, support now. So it could be supported at 1.39. Right, so not too bad. Just long Bitcoin. Good luck with that, man. Did Chief just leave? Wow, what? Everyone can do their own thing, right? It's fine. You can long it, you can short it. Loom, let's go there. After that, recaps. Did I finish Bitcoin Cash to Bitcoin on? Did I go on the 1 hour? Huh. Not sure if I went to the 1 hour. But it was just moving sideways, so. On the daily, let's see, dude. Bearish divergence, strong. Action to downside, and, you know, it's there barely. You could call it sideways motion if you want. Still medium bearish divergence. But it's technically going slightly higher, and we're coming lower here. And with that, we have that bullish divergence for action to the downside. I forgot to anchor, man. I didn't do the 1 hour for Bitcoin Cash. I'm going to have to go back, so. Let me do this one. I'll go back to them in a second because I didn't do the 1 hour for Bitcoin Cash, so I gotta do it right. It was requested, and I botched it, and I didn't go to the 1 hour chart. There we go. All right, we just called for that support, holding on to that. So that's good. Higher. Just anchor this in the 1 hour. Now we have this bearish divergence here, right? For action to downside. Moving down that. That's great. Lower. Negative, less negative. And also low higher on the other side. So strong bullish divergence developing here. Action to the upside or reversal happening or coming in. So just wait for that. Could be trying to get above that 1.3, sorry, that 0.01393 sats or whatever. This is, yeah, sats. So there, that's it, there, right? That's Bitcoin Cash to Bitcoin. And just look at the last things. So now let's go to Loom. Master Sebulon. Thank you for being here. Guys, if you like what we do, hit like the button sub. Let's keep rolling, guys. Now, up next, Loom 4 hour, right? That's what we're looking at, or we're going to start looking at. So on the 4 hour high, oh, we do have an island here. Can't do it. We went higher, and even on the other side, we're going higher. So nothing bearish, man. Right. The only thing I'm finding here, short term, is this hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, right? And or stalling to happen. It looks like we're getting that action to the upside, which is fine. We don't have it against our side, just against the MACD, and you know, got back above the 20, trying to hold support there. If we do, we could try to get another pump. I'm not sure if we have anything going farther back. I don't think I zoomed out that much for this project. We can do fibs. Great. We can fib it. So I'm going to go from this high to the low and see where we're at. That works. I guess let me zoom in a little bit. Make sure I'm anchoring properly. That's going to be our local high. And then this will be our local low for this exercise. Almost. There we go. Right, so we hit that 382. So valid retrace, right? Fell and broke below the 236 again. Then we went up and hit that 50, but again, valid retrace. Bring it down, trying to break that area, dude. We've just been failing. Now we hit that 786 and we're rejecting it. So again, fibs are there and they're working. Now we're facing resistance. When we opened this candle, we gapped up, faced resistance at the 618, which is here at 5.77 cents. Or 5.75 cents, and we're breaking down, so 5.50, so 5.58 cents. Great, bearish divergence, right? Action to downside. So with that in mind, let's go to the 4 hour. The fibs are not going to be there, man. I'm going to have to adjust the fibs so they show there. There we go. On the 4 hour, we're going to see that we're rejecting that area, right? We moved up, rejected, now we're moving down. Finding support at the 20, we're going to have medium resistance to the upside. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. High, low, positive. Well, that's positive. Here we had some bearish divergence. Right, strong bearish divergence. For action to the downside, and that's precisely what we got. Action to the downside, right? Hello. There we go. And low, lower, negative, less negative, right? And that works for strong bullish divergence. So for potential action to the upside now. Negative and less negative. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. And with that, we're getting that pump. Again, rejecting the 618. Right. I'm gonna say Yeet. Thanks for being here. Yeah, we're gonna go back to Ethereum in a second. Actually, after this coin, I'm gonna recap. So if you're here for the recaps, just one quick second. High, low, low, high. Right. So some bearish divergence hidden against the RSI. Again on that, stalling or moving down, hitting that 20, finding support, trying to pump. Nothing bullish else. Neutral 50.06. That's it for Loom. Let's go check out Bitcoin. Where's the Bitcoin at? 34,536. Again, support at 34,438. Low, high, negative plus negative, low, high. Neutral at 40.81. So again, bearish divergence we had hidden. Going down, trying to find support. That's great. Let's go on the daily. Hidden bullish, trying to rally on that. Let's see if it's going to hold. 4 hour. Strong bullish, right? Trying to pump on that. Rejected prior, hitting that 20, but still trying to hold on for dear life to that support at 34,483. And again, like I said, lots of supports to the downside, right? We have some slight support here at 33,000. Then we have support at 31,400. So if we were to move down, we have areas where we can look for support. And below 31,400, we have another support at 30,600. So, yeah, there's areas that we can go to. Thanks for being here, y'all, and thanks for liking and subscribing to the channel. We're live every night. You can find us here. Yeah, it's awesome. We have a great community. We have the best crypto community out there, I think. So far, it's like no one here is like being a dick all the time. No one here is being like, you know, abusive to other people. I like the community that we have because like everyone's respecting what everyone else's idea at least. So that's pretty cool. I like that. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Bearish divergence moving down, nothing bullish. Oh no, we just went sold at 39.79, but that's fine again. Still supported there. If we lose the support, we could be aiming to test 33,309, right? Oh, we just lost it. We'll come back to Bitcoin throughout the night. Again, we want to get across the MACD, right? And the signal line on the 4 hour below the zero line, right? So MACD over the signal line, below zero line would be good for Bitcoin. And that could happen if it drops a little bit more, create some strong bullish divergence, and then maybe pumps, right? Ethereum going down, what? Bob Mo, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. I'm not sure how many of y'all are still here, but thank y'all for being here, man. It's better than Jimmy Fallon. That's pretty good. Thank you, man. Let's recap Ethereum. Oh, wait, there was some discussion about the CME gap for Bitcoin. So before I do that, let's go to CME gaps. Oh, we closed the gap. What? I didn't even notice. That's great. On that movement up, right? We closed a small gap that we had up here. So that gap is gone. Now the only gap we have. What?
Yeah, agree. Good people and analysis. Smiley face. Keep it up.
Dude, thank you for that, Jorge Carranza. Thanks for that awesome tip, bro. I really, really appreciate it. That's so cool, man. It's so cool when you guys tip. It really, like, you know, it really helps boost up the morale, dude, right? Because, you know, it's so amazing to feel appreciated like that also. So, thank you guys for the awesome tips. Y'all give so great tips to this channel. And, like, you know, I appreciate y'all. That's why I'm here, dude, right? I'm here for y'all, and I do try to answer. If you guys ping me on Discord whenever I'm available, I'll try to get back to you. Right, so thanks for that. So we did close this gap. We only have this one down here open. We might come down here, hit the 20. Who knows, dude? That 20 right now, it's at 30,000. It wouldn't be weird if we found support there and try to pump. I'm not going to do analysis in the gap. We have hidden bullish. That's fine. It's just like Bitcoin on the daily, right? Hidden bullish divergence. We can try to find that support at the 20. We're below 20 here. But on the futures, we can try to find support at the 20, try to bounce there. Let's go to Ethereum now for a recap. 1,300. Whoa. Let's try to hold on to that level. Again, channel. We're running the channel. I found support earlier at 1,292. Running this channel. Breaking that channel would have support here immediately at 1,257, and if we break there, we have the 20 to look forward to, and then below that, 1,000. What is it? 1,154, right? So there are areas of support for Ethereum still. Bearish divergence, nothing bullish. Neutral. Bought at 65.43 on the 4-hour. We had this hidden bullish divergence, which is trying to get it to go higher, and that's fine. Again, right now, finding that support on this 4-hour chart candle and trying to go higher. So neutral at 50.49, and on the 1-hour. Wedge. But Mo, you said a wedge? Right. So after this one, we have Bitcoin on Bybit, and someone's asking me to look for a triangle forming there. So we'll check it out. What? Sorry. Thank you guys for that. Thank you, Grand Donation, for that $9.99. I thought it was gonna come up with a message, and yeah, I know. I'm muted. I'm unmuted now. Sorry about that. The thing is, if I leave the mic open, you hear it twice, and then it becomes kind of like annoying for you, and it's hard to like hear. And if I turn the volume down of the notifications, then you don't hear them, and I don't hear them when they ping here. So just so that I can hear them, I had to have them with volume. But every time that happens, I have to mute. Do I hold Ethereum? Yes, I hold Ethereum. Not a sizable amount though, but I do hold Ethereum. Thanks so much for the awesome tip, dude. I really, really appreciate it, Grant. And thank you for being here. I know you're a regular here. I've seen you plenty of times. So thanks so much for that, man. I really, really appreciate that. Thanks for the support. Someone's going to get liquidated. Ooh, that sucks. VT. VT is down the list, I think. Or whoever did it? I'm not sure. Yeah, what did VT? It was like the 10th coin that we checked out tonight. Right.
Great TA Martin. Good stuff. Would you be able to look at VGX? Would like to get your thoughts. Cheers.
Dude. Sadia Awad, thank you so much for the awesome $20 tip, bro. Wow. Yeah, I can check that out for you, man. No problem. I really, really appreciate it. It's so cool, man. VGX? Sure. Didn't that used to go by BQX? Just confirm that on the chat, because I think I looked for that before. It doesn't show up, but BQX does show up. So if you just let me know that, I'll definitely do it. And also, again, thank you so much for that awesome tip, guys. It's so amazing, the tips that you give to this channel, for reals. Like, yeah, thanks so much for that. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, for sure, I'll check it out right next, dude. Just confirm if it's BQX. Finish Ethereum. But just let me make sure that we didn't have the Bitcoin request first. So it was VT, and then nope. So the Bitcoin on Bybit didn't have a tip to it. So I'll do yours next, and then that's awesome. Thank you so much for that awesome tip, dude. All right, let's roll. Ethereum. Again, on the 1 hour, we don't have anything. We're just dropping below that area. We're going to have support here at 1,261 high, low, positive high on the other side to a lower point. Low to high, negative, less, negative, low, high. Again, we're not really doing anything bullish right now, at least not on the 1 hour. That's it for the recaps. That's the first time I recap coins. And talked about CME gaps, so that's gone. Let's go to BQX. Something happened there. There we go. Now it's going to be BQX.
Donations looking very bullish on the hour chart.
Yo, Dynamic Motorsport Experience, dude. Thank you so much for the awesome $4.99, bro. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for that. Yes, the donations are looking very, very bullish, man. I really, really appreciate it.
Keep it going.
That one didn't get read out. Why? Dude, keep it going. Thank you, Jorge Carranza, for that tip, bro. Oh, God, dude. Thank you guys for the awesome tips that you're giving this channel. I really appreciate it. I'm not sure why it didn't get read out. It just says, I'll read it out for y'all. It says, keep it going. Thank you for that, man. And someone wrote on Arabic or Farsi, dude. I can't tell, but I can't read that, man. Sorry. Whoever typed that. Yeah, huge bullish divergence on the tips. Yeah. It's going up, dude. Yo, thanks for that, man. Much appreciated. Let me go through BQX. That's so cool. Thanks, guys. We have support. I just covered Ethereum, Burks, SIPE. So if you rewind a little bit, before I started this coin, I just did Ethereum. So rewind a couple minutes. You're going to find it there. I'm not going to go through it again. Gotta do this one. Light up a cigar. I don't have cigars at the house, dude. Sorry, Alan Chumacero. I don't have cigars in the house, dude. I have kids. I stopped smoking anything, so I don't have cigars, bro. Sorry about that. Right, so BQX. Where were we at, dude? We were looking for some kind of bullish divergence last. Let's go on the daily first and see what we had, and then we'll come here. We didn't have anything here. We just know we were hitting resistance at the 236, about $1.20, or was it at 236, or was it something else here, dude? I can't remember. When did we chart this? It was a while back, but I'm trying to zoom out. It's just going really slow. Yeah, 236. Now I can't zoom in fast enough. For some reason, it's starting to go really slow. See, probably what?
I had to follow the trend of donating. The trend is your friend. Hi, what do you think about Harmony One?
Guys, thanks so much for that. Double V, thanks for that awesome tip, bro. I really appreciate that $5. And then Epic Shadow sent up 5, also super chat. What do I think about Harmony One? Sure, man. I'll go after VQX, man. 1. I wrote it down. It's gonna go there, man. Hit those likes. Yeah, hit the likes, guys. Thank you for that, dude. Guys, I really appreciate all the tips, guys. You guys are amazing. So I'll just write here that's VQX. And then 1. And then we'll go with the rest of the list. So I'm gonna close the other requests out, right? So no more requests, because I just think the request is getting bumped out, the request list. And I already have like, I'm probably gonna be doing about 28 coins by the time we're done. So thanks for the awesome tips. The only new requests that I'm gonna take is if like they're company tips, because the free ones, they're gone, dude. Right? The list is huge already. So thank you much for the awesome tips. I really appreciate them. Let me do BQX, and so we're rejecting the 236. We already established that. And sorry it's taking so long for this to zoom. I'm not sure if it's the website or if it's me, but I can't refresh the website right now, because if I do, I'm going to lose the information, because it already told me that it had too much data, so I'm going to have to go after the stream and delete some stuff. Anyways, bearish divergence, right? Action to downside. Overbought at 71.40. So no bearish divergence, sorry. Just overbought. We're bearish because of that. We hit 93.85. Moving down because of that. Let's go to the 4 hour. I think we might have had some bearish divergence here. Yeah, we had bearish divergence. And then we started to break down. We had it against the RSI. So moving down on that, we created the hidden bullish. And remember what I told you guys? Upside or sideways motion. Went up, failed to go higher than the previous high. Sideways motion. We're not really going much higher. What?
I just drank water.
Dude, thanks for the awesome tip, W. And congrats on drinking water, man. I really appreciate it. Dude, guys, it's so crazy. Thank you all for the love that you show this channel. It's really, really cool. All the thank you for the amazing donations that you guys have given. It's very, very nice. Let me keep going, guys. Melvo, I will check it out in a second, dude. There's some like tips that came in with requests. I'm gonna do them first, and then the next one I'll check out. It's gonna be I just scratched my hat. Snap. Bitcoin on Bybit, right? I think I just I just definitely put some ink on this hat, dude. Kind of sucks. It's right there. Anyways, right, bearish, moving down. Now, bullishness, pumping back up. Great. Are we going lower? That was a question I wanted to answer because we're getting a pop. And yes, we definitely came slightly lower on that price. What?
I think if you had a cigar, you would have fired it up. So you get my tip, smiley face. Just wanted to say thank you. Smile.
Thank you, Alan Chumacero and Abna Sayed, for the awesome tips, guys. That's so crazy, dude. Thank you so much for the great tips that you're giving this channel, man. I really, really appreciate it, dude. Wow, that's super crazy, man. I don't think I've ever been stopped so many times on the stream. We have this bullish divergence. It's for potential action to the upside. What?
Thank you for all you do.
Thank you, the Bitcoin Mob, for the awesome tip, guys. Dudes, that's so crazy. Again, bullish divergence, dude. I'm trying to concentrate. That's so awesome. Thank you very much for the awesome super chat. I really appreciate it. And yeah, guys, thanks for that. It's great. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoy the new little things that are coming up after the tips. You know, the chart was a little bit boring. And yeah, it's crazy, man. That's insane. Dude, it's so crazy. Anyways, bullish divergence, action to the upside. Try to pop, rejecting the 20, right? We got above it, but rejecting on the next candle. We might have something on the 1 hour, maybe some hidden divergence that we built from high to low, right? And we're going to determine that in a second. Neutral at 46.20 on the RSI. Dude, that's so crazy, man. I don't need a, thank you for that, but I don't need a mouse pad. I actually have a big mat that has my keyboard and my mouse in it. But yeah, the mouse definitely. I want to be buying that soon. I'm not sure when YouTube releases the funds, but whenever YouTube releases the funds, definitely I'm gonna purchase that mouse. It's gonna be the next purchase for sure, man. This is from the 4 hour, so forget that. I was shifting something here, a bit more or less where we had it, and send this to the 4 hour. See, I'm getting so I mean, so nervous that I'm even forgetting to anchor, man. What is going on, dude? We're looking for the mid bullish. We did pump for a candle, hit the 20 and rejected. Then we made more negative momentum, and then we did manage to go lower. So we kind of killed it.
Thank you for all you do. Can you please check?
Yeah, awesome. That didn't come through. I'm not sure why, but yeah, I'll check shopping.io after I do one. So. That's crazy. Thank you guys for all the great tips. Thank you, Malakis, for the awesome tip. I really, really appreciate it, man. Dude, I hope yeah. Look, hit that 20 on the bullishness, rejected, moving lower, high, low, nothing here. Remember how I told you we could have had some kind of bearish divergence here for that moving down? Some hidden bearish, and here it is, right? It's the culprit for the movement down that we're getting. Low to high, right? And also low to high here on the RSI. So with that, we're getting action to the downside. That's fine. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, nurse to hard point. There's really nothing bullish here. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, I think. You can't hear me? Sorry, man. I hope you can hear me now. I have to mute. I'm trying to fix the... Sorry, man. Yeah, I know I'm muted. The chat takes a little bit to come through sometimes. I'm sorry about that. I'm checking out why the message didn't send the text-to-speech, right? Here we go. I had something off there, and...
Unmute your microphone. Microphone. You're muted and need more RAM. Unmute your microphone. Microphone.
Yo, thanks, man. I just unmuted. Thanks for letting me know. What?
You're muted and need more RAM.
Thanks. Thanks for that. What the hell, dude? I know I need more RAM. Thanks for that. I really, really appreciate it. For some reason, the text-to-speech is not coming out on some of this things. I think I'm unmuted now. Yeah, I can see I'm unmuted. Thank you for the awesome tips and letting me know that I'm unmuted. I'll check out who sent them in a second, guys. I'm trying to fix why the text-to-speech is not working on some of the tips. So I really care about the quality of the stream, and for some reason, like, it wasn't coming through on some of this. But again, like I said, I'm checking real quick. After this, we have something else. Yeah, I need earphones, so I know I'm muted. The new mic that I'm gonna get actually gives me feedback, so that's gonna be pretty wild once I get that. That's coming in the next week, I think. Amazon says it arrives on Monday, so we'll see if we can trust Amazon with their delivery time. Wow. No, the one with the... Thank you, David Sill, but the one with the Barney Stinson that got the Litecoin tip didn't. It just said legendary. It actually didn't say the text-to-speech. What?
Shopping.io. Shopping.io.
Thank you for the $2, Malakis. I will check it. Right? Just give me one quick second. I'm saving everything. Make sure it's saved. It's gonna reload the small glass, and I'm gonna keep on going through the stream. What's crazy, man? Who told me? Andu, thank you for telling me I'm muted. And Jorge Carranza, thank you for telling me I'm muted. I really appreciate it. And what? That was crazy, man. All right, so BQX bearish divergence moving down. Right now, we're creating some strong bullish. on that small time it took me, right? We're dropping slightly lower. So here's how this is going to play out, right? If we drop slightly lower, we're going to start making more negative momentum. And we're going to have strong bullish divergence. It's going to depend how much we drop and how many more islands we keep on building. We can get rid of it if we drop hard, but so long as...
I have a joke for you. Why do Bitcoin investors want a Lambo?
I'm not sure, Double V. Why do Bitcoin investors want a Lambo? I have a something for that. It usually goes buy and buy again until your coins become Lambos, right? Anyways, I'm expecting to see this play out at some point in time. We're now getting rid of that negative momentum, right? So again, waiting for it to go there, see what's going to happen. If it drops more, we're going to build it. Right now we don't have it. We just lost it. I'll just leave those lines there. Remember, so we're going to start making negative momentum, and we're going to see where we go from there. That's it for BQX. Let me go to 1. And then shopping.io. I know, shopping.io, it's on my list. Believe me. So I'll check it out. I got a super chat that's coming through. I saw the green. It says, it's from Andrew. Says, I miss Mexico. We love you. But it's not coming through.
I miss Mexico. We love you.
What? That's crazy, guys. Thank you for that. Frank Castle. What's up? Thank you for being here, man. I got to keep on moving through the coins, right? So I also just want for my stream deck to get here. It's going to take a little bit longer. It's going to allow me to mute without having to see those plus and minus signs. Because that's the only way I could mute myself fast enough by hotkeying some stuff. So let's go to 1. Oh, 1, I hated this because he didn't have a lot of info. It was weird chat to look at. Alright, so let's get rid of this in the daily. It's going to look dirty. I forgot the anchor. See, sometimes I forget the anchor. It just makes the charts look so bad when I come back.
Because they know Ferrari is owned by Fiat.
That one's actually good. You should, yeah, you should send some of those to my co-host so he can put those jokes somewhere. Apparently, somehow I got a self-nominated co-host that wants to crack jokes, but that one's actually good, man. Thank you very much for the tip, Double V, and I actually like that one. I think I'm actually gonna use that, dude. I actually just wrote it down because I want to use it later on. Anyways, what do we had on 1 daily? Again, bearish divergence moving down. We try to get above these 382, rejecting. That's fine. Neutral at 58.33. We don't have a lot going on here. Let's go to the 4 hour. The last thing we had for this was bearish divergence, and with that, we're getting that movement to the downside, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low on their side to lower point, right? Some hidden bullish against. Some hidden bullish against the RSI, right? So with that, we're getting that potential for action to the upside, and we're taking that small pump. Now we're rejecting something here. Could have something on the 1 hour, maybe some divergence, bearish. Yeah, look at that, hidden bearish. Side to low, right? Anchor this in the 1 hour. Great. There we go. We actually looked at this project yesterday, I think. And the last thing we had was this bullish divergence, which we actually pumped, felt to go higher in the previous high, and then we dropped. Because even from here to here, we had, after that pump, right, or when we looked at it, or somewhere around this area, we created some kind of bearish divergence, I think. So we'll check it out in a second, though. Anyways, bearish divergence. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Traction to the downside, moving down on that. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to lower point, right? Sold at 34.17, right now neutral at 44.32. That's crazy, man. Okay, PayPal, false alarm. It's back up. What? Joshua, what? I'm not sure what was going on with that, man. You just hit replay Please use proper format. What? Dude, what's going on with the chat? I'm not sure what's going on. I needed to hire someone to press mute for me. No, I can press mute. I'm not muted right now. I know. All right, man. Whoa, that's insane, man. Wow. Thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button stuff. We just get 1,500 subs. So many tips raining in, dudes. I'm so grateful and thankful for all of the tips that you guys have sent this channel. Wow, it's just freaking crazy, man. It's unreal how many tips we had come through, man. It's awesome. Litecoin still. Spencer R. I'm going to do Litecoin a recap. I just finished one. Now I got to go to shopping.io. Oh, man. It's not going to be here, right? So it's a website, so I'm going to have to go there. Do they have a coin for this? I wasn't sure if you wanted to look at the coin or just this, but let me make sure they don't have a coin. Is it this one? Shopping SPI? Yeah, same one. Alright, so you want me to look at SPI. Awesome. I didn't have the ticker. Ooh, it's not here. Oh, okay, cool. So definitely going to have to go here. And wow, $10.70. It's not listed. Is it new? Yeah, it's new. It started this year. Great. Let's go to market and see where it's trading so we can check it out. Yeah, thanks, Malakis, for the awesome tips and the coin we're going to look at. So, Uniswap, Bixley, dude, where am I going to be able to find a pair? Maybe here? Do they have an exchange with something that I can chart? Oh, dude, the index is down. Weird. Let's see if it goes through. David Williams, later, so much spam messages in the live chat. There's not spam messages. They're like the bot telling you what to do, man. But thanks for being here. Right, so let's see if we can do something here. I'm not sure who's providing this chart. It's not TradingView, that's for sure. And it's not giving me anything here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at another one. Wow. Dude, let's go with the Balaxis, see if they have something I can chart. It's against Ethereum. I hope this works for you, Malakis, and we'll see if we can get this done properly. Right, so thank you for the awesome support, for reals. Still trying to I'm like trying to do this, but at the same time I'm like trying to see if there's nothing else coming up because I got muted so many times, guys. That was insane. That was crazy. Right, so I can keep on going, dude. Right, so let's get this going here, man. MACD. RSI. Alright. Alright, the RSI we cannot see. Let me close this. There we go. And adjust this. Is it going to let me adjust this? It's not, is it? Nope. Alright, that sucks. So let me double click it. There we go. Here I'm going to be able to adjust it now. Troubleshoot, right? There, make it green. Awesome. Now, let's go back here. Alright, so high, higher, positive, more positive, high, there's such a hard point, even here, high, higher. Yep, high, slightly higher. I'm actually zoom in, yep, high, and then slightly higher, like I said, right? So everything, there's nothing bearish on SPI against Ethereum right now. So we're cool. We do have something, we have some hidden bullish. Is this gonna let me draw? It's not gonna let me draw. So I'm just gonna basically talk you guys through it. It's not giving me the drawing tools. What we're gonna look at here is we're going from low to high, and then negative, more negative, right? So we have some hidden bullish. Potential stalling, which is what we're getting, or action to the upside, which we could try to reverse. And this is the 1 hour chart. Let's go to the 4 hour. High to low. Right here, low, low, or high, higher high. Right, high, higher high. Positive is positive, high on there, set to lower point. Bearish divergence strong, moving down on that. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on there, set to lower point. Even from here, low, high, then negative, more negative, right? So we have some bullish divergence fraction to the upside. Hidden bullish. Those were pumping, right? And then the short term, let's see, high, low. Here we have a positive momentum island. So from here to here again, bearish divergence, right? Here again. So low, high, high, low. Hidden bearish divergence, potential movement to the downside. That's where we're getting the small move here, right? So on that, what? Bitcoin dumping, is it really? I'll go to Bitcoin in a second. We have bearish divergence, hidden potential action to the downside. We also have it here against the RSI. No, we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. So let's go to the daily. Again, sorry if sometimes the charts don't work, particularly when I go to the exchanges. It's just crazy, right? They don't have the best charts sometimes. They don't allow for full usage of tools. So I gotta really just work with what I get, right? And that is the key, right? Sometimes you gotta do with what you have, but when you know what you're looking for, it's easier. We don't have anything here, I think. So let's see, low, high, low, some hidden bearish, but yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna put a lot of weight in this. We could be stagnating here sideways. We don't have anything on the daily to call. It's a new project, so again, not a lot of data. On the daily, I would wait for something else to develop. So again, you know, just what we call in the 4 hour and the 1 hour. But thank you for that. Let's go here and check Bitcoin, because apparently it's...
Thanks for investing your time in educating the public.
Wow. Thanks so much for that. Awesome $14.99, Frank Castle. Dude, what? That's insane. Man, thanks so much for the awesome $14.99. I really appreciate it, man. For a second there, I thought like that was it for the tip train. I was gonna be able to go through the stream, but you know, I hope I'm unmuted myself. Yeah, I'm unmuted. Thanks so much for that, man. I really appreciate it. John Smith, can you stay on Bitcoin for a moment? Yeah, I'm gonna go to Bitcoin, man, because it's dumping. Yeah, below resistance, right? Or below support now, and resistance at 34,438. We have support at 33,300, so I'm not super worried. Remember what we said, bullish divergence when we dropped? It's there now, right? Again, we're starting to make this new positive, this new negative momentum island. This is the second one that we have, but look, we have to angle from the highest point, so it's going to take a little bit of strength for Bitcoin to shake this off. And we also have it against the RSI, so we're developing that strong bullish divergence. Again, not super worried for it. We could be trying to get a reversal. This could pull back up slightly, and we could make a sort of double bottom here for a potential reversal. That would also be really cool. But thank you guys for that. And yeah, that's it for Bitcoin. Again, I'm not sure how long you want me to stay here. Someone requested Bitcoin Bybit, so I'm actually going to go there. It should be more or less the same chart. So just a Bitcoin Bybit. Someone said Ethereum Classic to Tether. I'm not sure if that one came in. Kenshin, you said Art Ningelk, sorry, requested Ethereum Classic to Tether. Did that come before I said no more requests? So I write it down, right? Wow, it's crazy, man. So many tips, dude. Thank y'all so much for that. Did I write something? What we were looking for? I can't find it. I thought I had pasted it, but apparently I didn't. No, yeah, I did. Bybit, Bitcoin. This is what I gotta type. So we're gonna check it out on Bybit. Someone wanted me to check it there, so. Right, let's go on this one, I guess. So I'll just type enter, see what it brings up. And then, if I'm not mistaken, it was on the general chat, and they had posted this picture of a triangle. I'm trying to gauge the time scale. It's on the 4 hour, and it's a very large triangle that apparently we're breaking to the downside. So we're gonna go check it out right now. Right meow. Okay, meow. Gonna check it out right meow. Yeah, I mean, I'm not getting the same touch points that you have, but more or less there, right? With a potential fake breakout here. For some reason, your wicks look so much different than mine, dude. So yeah, we'll go with that as touch points. That's fine. And you're anchoring from way back here on this wick, so that's fine. You're going wicks to wicks. That's awesome, dude. You're doing it right. Remember, we go wicks to wicks, right? And that's how we want to anchor. We're not breaking the triangle yet. This is gonna be a super chat coming through. I'm just waiting for.
Thank you for checking. It's new. Good project. I just want to hear your thoughts about it. Smiley face. Thanks again, brother.
Thank you, Malakis, for the awesome tip of $5. Yeah, I appreciate it. And yeah, it's what can I tell you? It looks okay right now. It's a new project. Not a lot of information on the charts. I'm not sure if I would be jumping in. A lot of people like jumping on new projects because it's like when an ICO happens, right? When ICO happens, usually the asset tends to pump a little bit, and then it comes back down crashing. New project gets listed. It tends to go up, but it doesn't have a lot of information on it. And for me, I do want to see a little bit more data, at least on the daily, to be able to plan the swing trades. If you guys like that and you like jumping on new projects, hey, be my guest. It's not my strategy. But yeah, the project looks okay right now. I'm not sure what they're doing. They have a website. Apparently it's something that might be worth checking out. So yeah, thanks for that. And Jake made it rain on the Discord. Thank you, Jake, for the rain. Wow. There we go, right? So again, yeah, triangle. We're not breaking it yet. We're still within that triangle. And I guess this triangle that you send me on Bybit is very similar, right, to a triangle that we've spoken about on Bitcoin on this chart, I think it is. All right, so we have this larger triangle here. I wasn't using the wicks. I was using the bodies. Using the wicks could be working out a little bit better, right? And I think that's the way you had it. So I'll go and do that here as well. And as you can tell, we're getting awesome touch points, right? So again, so long as you go body to body or wick to wick, you're fine, right? When you go wick to body, you screwing up. So you got to keep them with the same criteria. And yeah, it just shortens the triangle from the 4th of February to the 29th of January. And it can still play out, right? We can still be there. But thank you for that. I can't remember who was it that requested Bitcoin to Bybit, but yo, great for Bitcoin, right? Now, yo-yo to Bitcoin on Binance. Sure, why not? Moving through the requests, right? We have a lot of requests to go through. Heck and a She candles game. I don't have Heck and a She candles on right now. They're just, I use them when I need to see a trend. Yeah. Use Heck and a She on your analysis. That's fine. That's probably why we had different touch points. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, Heck and a She are fine. I only use them when I need to confirm trends, and they look a little bit different, right? And as you can tell, we get better touch points here on the Heck and a She. It's still more or less similar, but Heck and a She usually go green and red, right? But you get this confirmation of a green trend, then a red trend, then green, then red, right? So every time we're pumping, it goes green, and then we stagnate for a little bit, But just basically, I use them for trends and see whether or not we're in a good trend or on a negative trend, right? So positive or negative trends. Other than that, I usually don't like using Heck and a She candles. I rather go with regular candles. I like better how they look for openings and closings. So thank you for that. Guys, if you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. It's been an awesome stream. We're getting a lot of traction. I love the community that we're building. I'm really, really grateful for all the awesome tips you've sent. It's really amazing to have that support from y'all. Thank you. I can't thank you enough for that. Let's go to Yo-Yo now. Crypto Legend, it's up a little bit, maybe double bottom. Yeah, we're gonna go back to it when the hour closes, right? We still have 32 minutes to go. Gotta wait for it to close, right? So Yo-Yo Bitcoin, sure. Let's see what it's doing, man. Can we zoom out? No valid retrace. We're making a low, so that's fine. So no fibs, right? No fibs right now. We might have some resistance here, maybe around this area. I'll take. Could potential. We held support, and now it's gonna become a resistance. That's fine. So I'm gonna try to put resistance lines out for this. I'm not sure how accurate they're gonna be. I'm not going farther back, so I want to straight here short term. I'll also put another one here, Alt H. I'll tell you why this one's working. We kind of rejected here, right? But here, rejection, and then rejection here a couple wicks. So I'm going with this line potentially, and then held support here a couple times. So also 0.00056 sats or 56 sats, and then also 43 sats, right? So you got 31 sats. Awesome. let's check out what's happening here. Look, we're coming lower, right? We're making strong bullish divergence. So for potential action to the upside on yo-yo. Can get rid of this in here and then from here, right? So strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Went up, hit that 20, rejected slightly, felt to drop lower than the previous low. So we're bullishly trying to push back above that 20. We did. We're bouncing out of 20, trying to pump more. Getting a lot of tightness on the Bollinger Bands. Look at that. They're tighter than they were back here. So the tighter they get, when volatility comes in, we expect an explosive move. So we'll see how that comes back in and where they're going to explode to. Not there yet, though, right? High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Neutral at 44.97. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. High, higher, positive, positive, high, higher. High, low, positive, positive, high, low. So nothing here. Neutral at 56.72. Again, looking okay, low, high, negative, more negative. Is this negative? Yeah, negative. It's just 0, right? So you just went to 0. I'm not sure if I really want to consider this because we don't have it against the RSI, so I'm not going to give it the hidden bullish, although it could potentially have it, but this is just 0. It reached 0 across, right? So it just, you know, didn't move much, but we'll be looking at something like that. And then something like this for that hidden bullish, right? Maybe the 1 hour has it. I'd much rather find it there than go from here, right? But, you know, potential action to the upside, hitting that 20, trying to bounce. Neutral at 56.72. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Is it still dumping again, Bitcoin? Nope. 34,300, right? We're still okay. The sounds of the mouse is satisfying. Really, Mobile One Legends 1? A lot of people have complained about it. We did a poll, and a lot of people said they didn't like the mouse. I'm not sure if I should keep it or leave it, but the goal is to buy a new mouse. I do want to get a new mouse. I just have this basic Microsoft mouse. Remember I told you guys is what I use, right? And that's where the clicking comes from, right? So, yeah, it's what I have to go with, right? I don't mind it. Apparently some people do. So, you know, trying to make the stream more enjoyable to most, I guess. And that would imply getting a new mouse. Here we go, right, and then negative, less negative, and then here we don't have anything. So here short term though, hidden or medium bullish divergence, potential action to the upside, starting to pump, high low, positive, positive, high low. Nothing here on the 1 hour. It's just moving very blocky. I don't like it. It's worth very little. It's just 30 sats, and every move it's just very. That's why it looks so sharp, right? Because one side up, one side down. Not really going crazy. Neutral 57.15. That's it for Yo-Yo. Let's go to Nexo. Did Nexo get requested properly? I don't remember. I don't remember seeing a proper request for Nexo, but check it out real quick. Then. Logitech Master MX3 Game Changer. Thank you, Sadi Awad, for the recommendation. I seen that one. I'll just write it down here on the side. The MX3. Yeah, man. I was in between that one or the G502 Lightspeed, which is more of a gaming mouse. The only thing I like about that one is that it has so many more buttons that I can macro stuff to, which would give me a little bit faster control over some things, particularly on charts or something, right? I can macro that when I click something, maybe something gets selected, right? And it would really help me out speed up the process of the charting. And that's the only reason I was looking at that that mouse that has so many buttons. I think it has like 9 buttons. But yeah. Anyways, Yo-Yo, right? That's what we had on the 4 hour, right? Pumping up a little bit on the daily, right? So, yeah. Did we just finish Yo-Yo? Yeah, we finished Yo-Yo. Forget to anchor this here on the on this time frame only, and that's it, right? That's it for Yo-Yo. Nexo next. Where was Nexo? Here it is. Joshua Larwall is buying more. Video Consale, thank you for being here. I much appreciate it. If you guys like what we do, hit like the bell and sub. We have like 179 people, only or 187 people, and only 155 subs. Come on, guys, hit them subs. Thank y'all for being here. I really appreciate y'all, and I appreciate all the support that you give to this community. Again, Nexo, bearish divergence. Did we look at this today? Yeah, we already looked at Nexo. What? Crazy, I wrote it down twice. So we already did Nexo. Sorry about that. DVT up next. I had it doubled. It was crazy, man. Where's DVT at? 1,000, sorry, 0.001234. Wow, 1234, ain't that cool? Let's go check out DVT, man. At 3.6 sats. After DVT, we have RSR, then Link, XLM, Exceed, and Ethereum Classic. After that, we'll recap. Right? MACD, RSI. Do it to 1 hour. It looks so weird. So we're going sideways here, right? Sideways, and then I'm not gonna be able to call from back here. Great. So first, let's fix this because it looks horrible, right? We need to be. There we go, man. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Low, lower, native, more native, low, lower. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish on the 1 hour. Neutral, so it's neutral on the other side at 42.57 and sitting at 33.6 sats. Let's go to the 4 hour. High, higher. We talked about this one yesterday, right? High, higher, right? Here to there. Then high, low, right? And also high, low here against the MACD. So bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. We went down that low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a lower point, right? So against the MACD right now, here the fact that we're going flat, we're creating some medium bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. The only thing it has going on right now on the 4 hour, and on that note, I'm going to move on to the not the 1 hour, the daily. And daily we're fine, right? High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher point. Everything was good. Everything's good. Nothing bearish on the 1 hour, on the daily. So let's keep on checking out, right? Follows on Twitter. For some reason, I just sent it out by accident. Follows on Twitter. Right. So DVT, that's it. Let's move on to RSR. Again, awesome project, right? DVT. Worth checking out. Spencer, 1 hour later. 1 hour later, what, man? Oh, did I forget to do, Spencer, did I forget to do Litecoin on the recap, on the first recap? I'm sorry, bro. I'll do it right after RSR, okay? I'm sorry about that, man. Yeah, sorry about that, man. I'll go back to it right after I finish this one, right? I'm sorry about that. Hitting the 20, sitting at 3.95 cents. That's fine. We didn't have anything here. Low, 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 high. Now we have some hidden bullish developing here. Sorry if I skipped over that, man. I really am sorry about that, man. There's just so much stuff going on right now that, yeah, I'm sorry if I did that. Anyways, hidden divergence, right? Hidden bullish, took that small pop, rejected at 20, trying to move lower, low, high, negative, less negative, low on there, such a higher point. Neutral at 44.35. Not a lot happening here. Again, support at the 382 here at 3.95. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Sorry if I'm not reading all the comments, guys. There's a lot of stuff I gotta go through. Not that I don't want to read them. I love reading the comments. There's just a lot of stuff I gotta cover. So, was this from the 4 hour? Did I just forget to anchor? Maybe I'll just send that to the 4 hour. I'm not sure if it was from there or not, but low, lower. Then we came lower still, right? So this tracked strong bullish divergence, took a pop, rejected 618 and the 20 twice, right, on that bullish divergence, but ultimately comes down to here. Look at that, beautiful, man. We hit that bullish divergence right on the support at 382. So again, fibs are good. Still have it here as well, right? Strong bullish, popped, high, low, low, high. Everything's good here, low, lower, right? Now, high, low, positive, positive, high, low. Nothing bearish here. Moving down slightly, and then low, lower, negative, less negative, right? So strong bullish divergence developing still. Probably dumping or moving down because it's following Bitcoin to a certain extent. So on that note, we have this strong bullish divergence.
Did you go over V?
Yo, thanks for the tip, John Smith. No, we haven't gone over Wi-Fi. I'm actually gonna queue it. I owe someone Litecoin that I screwed up and I didn't do it. I'll cover it right after Litecoin. All right, I'm sorry about that, man. I do give the request priority. I do wanna. I'm gonna do it right after I cover Litecoin. It's gonna be a recap, so it's gonna be easy. $37.20. All right, so slightly higher here. Some strong bullish divergence starting to develop. Probably part of the reason that we're pumping back up on RSR. And again, not super worried about this project. I'm happy with the way it's performing. It's held fine. If Bitcoin pumps up a little bit, it's really gonna bring it up again. So it's gonna be really, really cool. Says Joshua says bought 10 Bitcoin at around 1,000 each in 2017. Congrats for that purchase, bro. You're probably doing really, really good on that. Congrats, Joshua Durval, for that. Right, Litecoin real quick on a recap. For whoever I screwed up earlier on and forgot. Spencer, dude, I'm sorry, man. Litecoin, let's go on the daily first. Right, so on the daily we had the hidden bullish, taking that small pop to the upside, that's fine. Rejecting the 20, rejecting actually $164, which we know was a resistance. Right now below the previous 100% from June 2020 or July, is it June 2019? June 2019. At 146, right? We don't have anything else building up here, so let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we had bearish divergence move down, created hidden bullish, took a pop, rejecting the 20, still higher than the previous low. So nothing to call here yet. Only looking right now, and this just happened on probably on this new candle that we're starting to develop. Maybe from here to here, and it looks like we're making a little bit more negative momentum. So we do have this hidden. I'm actually going to check now. 134, 132, slightly less now. I just pulled back down slightly, but it looks like we want to make some kind of hidden bullish. We don't have it yet, so I'm going to get rid of it. And that's what we have. Hidden bullish pop, rejected 20, fell to drop lower in the previous low. We'll give continuation to the hidden bullish and try to go for that 20 again. Neutral at 34.36. That 20 right now is at 150.07. The 1 hour. Bullish divergence. Pumped up. That's great. High, low, positives, positive, high, under, set to lower point. Nothing bearish. Moving down. The half hour might have something. So we'll see what happens there. Neutral, sorry, sold at 37.01. And on the half hour, I'm not sure if we even charted it here, but I don't think we did. Look. High, low, right, low, high. Remember, I told you this was going to have something. I'm just going to go here real quick. It's just divergence, right? Hidden bearish. From here. And from here to here, right? Like that. And here, if you want to say short-term, a divergence also. You can go from here to here. Then go from here to here and say, look, strong bearish. All right. We're moving down that low. Lower low. Yeah, some divergence here as well, I think. What is this? Slightly less, yes. So low, lower, negative, less negative, and then low, higher, right? So again, that strong bullish divergence starting to develop. Might try to pump the price up on Litecoin. That's it for Litecoin. Sorry, dude. I know I owed it to you. Thanks. Now I'm going to go on to Wi-Fi. And thanks for the awesome tip. John Smith, thank you for that $3, man. Guys, you guys are awesome supporters of this channel. I'm really, really thankful for having such great community being built by you guys. So, again, thank you for that. Again, thank you enough. Let's check Wi-Fi. Can't remember which Wi-Fi we look at. I have two. One Binance Dollar and then this one here. It's this one. Right, so bearish divergence moving down. Breaking below at 236. Heading for that 20. Trying to find support there, which we're rejecting, which is fine. Low, high, nothing here. Low, lower. Some hidden bullish divergence against the RSI, but that's the only thing I'm going to call. I really would love to anchor from down here. We wouldn't have anything. But on the short term, this is the only thing I can find, and it's near support. So it could be triggering for potential action to the upside, again, on this hidden bullish. Let's see if it's going to play out. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Hire you for that mini box thing. You have to come out with creative jokes like Double B and his Ferrari being owned by Fiat. So, right, we're looking for that hidden bullish, right? We still have it there, and now we actually even developed it against the RSI. So hidden bullish divergence, taking that small pop. We didn't quite hit the 20, not even the 236, and we rejected. Maybe the 1 hour has some hidden bearish that popped us down from here to here. We're sold at 38.79. Not a lot on Wi-Fi right now, right? We're between this range of the 236 at 34,734 and 20,000 plus. Wi-Fi said that they were probably going to print more coins. Look, I have the article that came out today. Yearn Finance proposes 225 million Wi-Fi token mint. They're going to print 6,660 more coins, or 22% of the supply, right? Look. The proposal seeks funding for Yearn's future, calls for a one-time mint of 6,666 tokens, increasing the current 30,000 circulating supply by 22%. Right? So just this is probably going to bring more Yearn into the system. It might drop the price, right? Keep it in consideration as you set up to trade Yearn Finance, because the scarcity of it made it expensive. Right? So just be careful with that. So Yearn on the 1 hour. Bullish divergence, take that pop, that's fine. Rejected it to 36, then what do we do? Drop more. Less negative. Then we went lower here? I think so. 32. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do that. I'm gonna go with that one to here where we had it. That was fine. And then just here on this last bit here also, right? So strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. And with that, we're getting this nice pump to the 20. Again, rejecting. Do you have something here on bearish? High, low, possible. No, we don't have anything bearish actually. We just turn back down, or from here. Some hidden bearish. I don't like where I'm going to anchor this from. That's the only thing that we have on the hidden bearish. That will say we could have. There we go, right? High to low, low to high. Hidden bearish, moving down on that, and bringing us below the 20 again. Low, lower, right? Again, some strong bullish divergence for Yearn Finance. These would have to anchor from the highest point, so negative, less negative, right? And then also here, low to high, right? So, and even from here, short term, low to higher low. So, sold at 37.42. That is pretty cool, right? That's it for Yearn Finance. Thank you, John, for the awesome tip and having us check Yearn. Because if you hadn't done that, I would have forgotten about the article that I had checked out earlier today. Isn't that cool? If you guys like what we do, hit the like button, sub. Let's go to Link. We do have a queue that I get moved through. Link, XLM, XED, and then Ethereum Classic. So let's go to Link. Where the Link at? Link at 21. Awesome. It pumped after it came to where we called it. Ain't that great? Ain't that great? So anyways, bearish divergence, moving down. Nothing else developing. Bought at 61.42. Low, high. Low, high. Great. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence, moving down. We were looking for that hidden bullish. It did pump slightly. Then we broke down further, and we kind of killed the hidden bullish that we had. If we go there, there, and there, we no longer have it, right? So it did held for it held for a candle, and then it just, like, you know, killed it. So we'll get rid of this. And we're neutral at 51.19. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. What do we had here, right? Look, we had the hidden bullish. Went up, hit the 20, rejected. Right, then we went lower. What happened with that? We went low, lower, low, right? Negative, less negative, right? We don't have it against RSI. We're still coming lower. Strong bullish divergence. Action to the upside. We took that pop, and on that we created some hidden bearish divergence. Hidden bearish divergence for price action to the downside, right? 16, 61, 62, slightly higher than there, right? Moving down, hitting the 20 at support, try to pump. Low, high, negative, low, negative, low, there, side to hard point. Nothing bullish. Again, just holding support at the 20. The rest of the markets also seem to be pumping on this candle, so it could be part of the reason that Link is pumping on this candle at $21. Again, I'm happy for that. Link doing good. Let's go to XLM. Wow. A lot of requests tonight, guys. So it's 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We've done 30 coins already. Almost. No, we're going to be doing 30 coins when I finish ETC. Plus some recaps. Ain't that crazy? We've done a lot of stuff tonight. That's it for Link. XLM. MA1T, you love to make enough to buy a decent car. Used. You're not requesting, you're demanding a job interview. You want to be in the mini box, man. Sure, man. We'll figure something out. Things catching on. Joshua, that's smart. I'm not sure where it's going to be, but if you're willing to hold for 6 more years, I'm sure you're probably going to be better off. Great. Let's go to XLM. Bearish divergence moving down again, rejecting 31.9 cents below the 382 at 29.87. But again, you know, still have this motion. Not a lot happening here. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to a higher point. Neutral at 59.06. Not a lot happening for XLM. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence action to the downside. We did get it slightly. Hit that 20, pumped. High, higher, positive, more positive, high. Slightly higher. It's all good here. Nothing bearish. Rejecting 31.93. Moving down. Low, high. Negative, more negative, hidden bullish, right? Hidden bullish divergence. So we did try to reverse, got close to 20, didn't quite hit it, but close enough. This in the 4 hour. And also on the RSI, right? So with that, we're doing that small U-turn, that's fine. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What's up with the 1 hour chart for XLM? We had bearish divergence here, right? Remember, we called it hidden. We did move down, hit that 20 pop. That was great. We popped higher than previous height, so we're not going to track because we just, you know, killed it. But we had it here, played where we were supposed to play, hit that 20, found support, pumped. High. Are we going sideways here? Yeah, it looks like we're going sideways. I want to call this a double top. Sort of, but you know, I'm just gonna call it medium bearish divergence. Although we were topping at the same price, more or less. We had that medium bearish divergence fraction to the downside. Do we have it here? Yeah, also. Right, so hidden divergence here against the MACD and the RSI. So pretty cool for this. I forgot to anchor some stuff, so now I have to do that real quick. And then we broke down, right? And that's the sad story of this coin. Coming lower. More negative, lower on the RSI, right? Low, lower here, slight. But this should be enough to get us to have that strong bullish divergence on this gap down that it took. And negative, less negative, and then low to high on the RSI. Sorry guys if I'm not looking at the chat again. I do try to look at the chat every now and then. Right now, I do get to move through the coins. Do we have something here? I think we might have some divergence. Yep, hidden, bearish. That's why we're moving down, right? It's going to allow me to move it there. There we go. And then we're coming from high to low, right? So hidden bearish. Moving down on that. We don't have it against the RSI. Neutral at 44.59. That is it for this, man. Let's, what's going on? Jake's going to go to bed. Awesome. Thank you, Jake, for being here, man. Much appreciated. Yo, let's keep going, dude. That's it for XLM. Hidden bearish. Nothing bullish right now in the short term. Neutral at 44.59. Exceed. I'm not sure where we looked at exceed yesterday. Could have been here, man. Exceed. Here we go. Okay, Jake, I got this. You're not a mod, Jay, Jet, the Chadma, but maybe, man. Maybe if you keep showing up and you keep showing enthusiasm and you're cool, yeah, you might get mod. I haven't seen someone here in a while. Tell me more. I don't think I've seen Tell Me More in a while. I hope he's doing good. I also don't think I've seen Boomer, man. I hope Boomer's doing good as well. I'm not sure. Did Boomer come in tonight? No, Boomer's not here, man. I haven't seen Boomer in a couple days. Yeah, no what, co-host. All right. I haven't seen Boomer, man. And Boomer is, I know he had some debts on his wife's side of the family, but he's a regular here. So yeah, I'm worried that when I don't see you guys here, obviously I get worried. I always wish you all the best. So Dougal Trump's also MIA. Yeah, I know, dude. I'm not sure where Dougal is. He's on the Discord as well, so I could ping him there. But I haven't seen him online. Right on. Yeah, you've been here for a while also. Right. MIA is out for the night. Thank you for being here. Much appreciated. And thank you all for the awesome support they give in this channel. For reals. That's amazing. Again, this one was bad to chart, so I'm just going to see what we have. Low, lower, negative, less negative, right? So strong bullish divergence, action to the upside on the 1 hour. Took that small pump. Do we have something? High, low, positive, high, low. Nothing here. On the 1 hour for exceed. So I'm going to go to the 4 hour. I'm not going to do the lines because remember it was horrible to chart this. High, higher, positive, less positive. High, there's the hard point. All right, so high, higher, and then positive, less positive. Strong bearish divergence against the MACD. Moving down that, then we have low, high, and then probably have something here. Yeah, positive still. Low, high. Nothing against the MACD or the RSI. We're moving sideways. So let's go to the daily. I'm not sure we're going to have anything here on the daily. We might have some hidden bullish. I can't remember. But let's go here on the 4 hour. I just got to make sure here. So I'm missing data apparently. All back here we have an island. So negative momentum, right? So low, high, negative, more negative. Some hidden bullish. That's why we take the small pop here. Trying to move down, but we don't have anything here short term. Neutral at 50.89. Again, dynamic motorsport experience. I wish I could have done this a little bit better. When I bring this out and I click something, it just goes, today's not, yeah, it goes insane, right? So it'll look good. Try to explain it to the best of my abilities with my mouth tool. And that's it for Exceed, man. I hope you're still here. Thanks for asking for Exceed. Now I'm moving on to Ethereum Classic. Yo. Dudes, wow, too many coins. I need to get water and take a small break. I haven't taken a break in 2 hours and 57 minutes. Except when my kid came in. But I gotta take a small break, get water, and yeah. I'll be right back. I'm gonna leave Ethereum Classic up. I'm actually gonna leave Bitcoin up because y'all freaking out about Bitcoin earlier. So we'll see where it's at, but that's it. Be right back. I'm back. Thank you all for being here and sticking with me through that small break. Yo, it's been a wild stream. Let's do Ethereum Classic, right? That was what's up next. Look, we just closed an hour candle. Great, we're going green. Got above, right? We got above the area that we wanted to get above. Are we doing a double bottom sort of? Yeah, it looks like we're doing a double bottom. Almost a similar hit. Right? Am I being heard? Do I put the mic on? Yeah, I did put the mic on. Great. So where are we at, right? Here the opening was at 34,208. Here the opening is at 34,216. Now we're talking fractions. So it's $6 and a $34,000 amount. It's negligible. We can say we're going sideways. Potential double bottom forming. Let's see if it triggers. It will trigger upon confirmation of breaking of this line. And I'm not sure what type of double bottom we're going to make yet because we haven't done this one. This we could consider a sort of eve, right? It's a little bit rounded, even though we spiked a little bit. We could consider this a rounded one. This could be, if it's a sharp V, it would be an even atom. And now I'll go to my trusty chart. But in the bull run, we probably are looking at approximately a 33 to 35% pump. If this is to come legit. I'm not sure if we're going to get that massive pump, though. But, you know, I'll put the double bottom in right now, for sure. Again, potential, right? We're going to get break confirmation line. This will be one. And this will be another one. I'm not sure we're going to actually hit target on this double bottom if it triggers, right? 33% is going to be an insane move to the upside. It's probably going to get it way higher than I've moved to right now. So more or less from there, and then 47K, right? That will be target if the double bottom triggers. And again, I'm not sure if it's going to trigger right now. So close enough, 47K. I'll reach right target here, right? Oh, I forgot to mess around with the visibility. So you want to go on the 4? Yep. Let's just keep it on the 1 hour. Is this one also on the 4? Nope, it's on the 1 hour. Are my curves on the 4? Yep, this one's keep them on the 1 hour. That's fine. And then here also 1 hour. So, cool. We were looking for some kind of strong bullish divergence. We didn't get that. We just got medium bullish divergence on that sideways motion, right? So we're looking at that and, you know, to there. So, medium bullish, potential action to the upside. Let's see if that's going to play out. What? Something saying something? 8 trillion? What? Come on, Green Army. Why? Art. Can't go. Coinbase Pro. What? MSR mouse? What's that, dude? Beach Jedi 101. I'm not sure what that mouse is, but let's go to Ethereum Classic, right? That was what we're gonna do for our buddy Ningyok, or whatever, however you say that. Man, I'm sorry. Yo, I'm starting to get tired. We've been live for 3 hours now in 3 minutes. Great. Stephen Jones, did you see BlackRock news? No, which one? I saw other news. I'm not sure I saw those ones. Write them out in the chat or something. Yeah, leave emotions out of trading. If you trade with emotions, you're going to get wrecked. Frank Castle. Buy the dip. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Awesome, dude. Right, so let's go to Ethereum Classic. 781. Great. What were we doing there, man? Rejecting... The 618, that's fine. Came down, taking a pop, rejecting the 50% recently, so that's fine. We're not doing anything new here. Neutral at 57.77. Let's go to the 4 hour. Oh, look, we're looking for bearish divergence here, which you obviously annihilated, right? Because we went higher, so that's fine. Low, high, negative, more negative, right? So. Yep. Low, high. I'm gonna have to change this back to yellow. Yellow, man. There we go. On the 4 hour. They have 8 trillion AUM and they file with the SEC to invest in Bitcoin. That's pretty interesting. That's gonna be wild, dude. Again, a lot of institutional investors getting into Bitcoin, right? They're just squeeze the supply, man, while you can. So that 47,000 target, if they buy Bitcoin, right, with all that money, they could really pump it up a lot more. XLM holding was doubled down by Grayscale. That's interesting. I'm not sure, man. I haven't read that. 45.25. 44, right? Also coming lower here. Hidden bullish, taking a pop, great. Rejecting the 382, right? Neutral at 50.84. Let's go to the 1 hour. Where are we going? High, higher, positive, or positive, higher? Nothing here. Last thing we had was this hidden bullish, which played to the upside nicely. Haven't created anything since, right? Everything here was good. Came down below the 382. Look, held there, right? Gap down, rejected, and moved down below the 20. We have some hidden bullish. I think I'm just going to make this slightly larger so I can see better. Yep. Negative, less negative. Keep this in the 1 hour. Then we're coming lower here, right? Or here we're also coming lower against the RSI. Just against the MACD, we have this hidden bullish potential actually to the upside. Taking that pop, high, low, high, low. Nothing bearish right now. At least not here. Oh, we do. Sorry. From here, almost missed it. High to low, and low to high. And with that, we're neutral. So hidden bearish move down, bounce to the 20. Neutral 50.72. Again, target the 20. If we manage to hold on to 20 bounce, could be looking for a retest of $8.09. Let's see how that's going to play out. Jorge Santiago, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Right on. Let's go to the next one, dude. What? Something up here? What? For comedian in that movie, John Pinette. I'm not sure who he is, but that sucks. I know Frank Castle. The Punisher. Dump coming, maybe. I'm not sure, man. We'll see. You just found a potential double bottom, right? Anyways, that's it for Ethereum Classic. Someone was requesting Apple earlier, or I think it was Apple. He wasn't requesting it in proper format, so I kind of ignored it for a little bit. But we do have time. And I'm just going to check out Apple real quick. I'll do a recap after Apple. I think it was the one that he wanted, but... Ethereum? Sure, man. We can do a recap of Ethereum. Just give me a second, right? On the daily. Why do we... Alright. So, low, high, negative, morning, right? Some hidden bullish. Pumped already on Friday, so I'm not sure what that's going to do there. We're probably going to have to zoom out and look at this better, though. But Apple, okay, hidden bullish, staying a pump. Did he have something bearish? High, higher. That was more positive. High, low, high, low. I can see here. Let's go on the weekly. High, higher, high, low, right? Some bearish divergence here on the weekly for Apple. And from here, so strong bearish divergence. Action to downside, starting to move down. A hit of the 20 would have been really good. We didn't get it. Here we also had bearish divergence on the weekly, right? Look at that. Here to here, from here to here, right? Strong bearish against the RSI, then against the MACD and the RSI. So we could be looking for it moving down. The 20 could give some good support on the weekly for Apple. But again, not 100% out of the woods. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on their side, higher point. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on their side, higher point. Nothing bullish on the weekly. On the daily, again, just short term, strong bullish divergence, or hidden bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. We're getting it. We've got above the 20. It's going to really depend on how the markets do now that, Biden took office, right? So he's in office. Let's wait and see how that's going to play out for the markets. It could still be interpreted as a bullish sign. Remember, we talked about that. So someone requested Apple. There it is, man, right? Again, sorry if I didn't pay attention to you earlier in the chat. I did look at it, but I do kindly ask you guys to do this the best way possible, which is follow the proper TA format. Yeah, I heard about that guy. I think he already had one try. I'm not sure, man. That kind of sucks, dude. Hey, Jorge. Yeah, dude. Jorge, I'll do Bitcoin again on a recap. Before I do that, let me go through markets real quick. I haven't done markets tonight. It's important to do markets because we got to get an idea as to where other monies are, right? Because people not just invest in crypto, they invest in other assets. So let's go do gold, silver, markets, and then oil, and then I'll come back and do Bitcoin, right? Okay? So I'll do that. Don't worry. I did Bitcoin in detail at the beginning of the stream. It's the first coin I look at. So you wait for me. I'll check it out. What's up, the chat, man? Dude, sorry if I'm not looking at everything, but thanks for that, man. Spotify ads, dude. Chadma, what's your market? I'm not sure what's your market, dude. You said do my market, so. You need eggs? Ha! Gotcha. Right on. Let's see. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side of hard point. Do we have this, dude? I just gotta confirm this one. I might be skipping here divergence. No, low, high. Low, high, low, high. Nothing bullish again. Going up, hitting that 20. It looks like we might reject. I'm not sure yet. At 1,174 per troy ounce. Not too bad for gold, right? Silver. Bearish divergence move down. Hidden bullish popping. Getting above that 20 at $25.98 per troy ounce. Very good. High, low, possible negative, low, or high, low, right? Neutral at 54.28. The markets could run a little bit more on gold and silver, right? Precious metals. Look at Dow, took a pop right after divergence. Now we're coming up here. Look, we're just going to there now, and that just tracks onto there. So we still have that strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside on the Dow. But the Dow today, the live Dow, right, still going up slightly, and we can go to there, and we can go from here to here, and from here to here, and still have that strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. TSLA to the USD. Is it stalemate? Sure, man. Yeah, Ren's been good, right, Joshua? I'm glad you're taking. You're doing good with that, man. Anyways, bearish divergence, potential action to downside on the Dow. Keep tracking it, right? Could go back to the 20. Could keep on pumping slightly more. S&P up 52 points. Look, we had divergence. We moved down, hit that 20, popped, and then we created more divergence. Great. Now we're going from one island to the new one. Right, I'm just gonna track it and just go from here to here. So I'm gonna redraw that one. I'm gonna take it by parts, but take it by parts, man. There you go. Go from here to here. Strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside on the Dow. London down 6 points. Great bearish divergence. Go into that 20 still. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on their side, higher point, neutral at 54.56. Okay. Bearish divergence, down slightly. Try to pop, reject it, moving down again. Neutral, sorry, bought at 68.53. Let's go to Toronto. Toronto at 57. So pumped a little bit, high, low. Positive, positive, high, low. Nothing here that is bearish. Bought at 66.38. That's it for Toronto. Let's go to West Texas. Bearish divergence, move down. Trying to recover a little bit, but going sideways. We don't have anything bullish. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low on the other side to our point. Neutral at 66.46. Brent oil, similar, right? Bearish divergence moving down, going sideways. Nothing bullish right now. Bought at 64.52. That's it for this. Jorge Santiago, Mexico. What? Yes, I'm in Mexico. Do you have a date tonight, Joshua? That's awesome, bro. Good luck with that. Your grandma from Mexico? Awesome. Now it's time for business. It's always time for business. Thank you all for being here, guys. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and sub, right? Thank you for being here, being awesome supporters of this channel. I'm really, really glad that we have this awesome community being built here. Wow, we popped up a lot tonight on subs. That's amazing. You guys are awesome. We have too many Jorges. I know. Right. So, yeah, I heard that Tesla or TSLA to the dollar. Just give me 1 second. Need to get one of these magic candies so that my throat starts to not go so bad. And my wife's gonna give me a tea in a second. So she could be a Bitcoin digger. I doubt it. Have you told her about your Bitcoin holdings? If you don't talk about that stuff, it should all be good, right? Tinley, what should you buy or what should you eat? Well, if you buy a pizza, you probably can eat more times than you buy a burger, right? So if you buy a pizza, you can probably eat 2 times with a pizza. But if you buy a burger, you just eat the burger, that's it. If you buy a whole pizza, you have pizza left over, it's going to be good for you. And if you actually are investing good, treat yourself to a steak or something. Anyways, let's go to TSLA, dude. To the dollar for some reason. I'm not sure why. Higher, higher, higher. Nothing bearish. Moving down. Low, more negative. Are we doing more negative? Nope. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low on their side to our point. Nothing there, man. Not even sure what I'm supposed to be looking for here at TSLA, dude. So. High, low, high, low, high, low. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, lower. Alright, it's mid bullish. I was like, this is boring, man, but, you know, hidden bullish. Hey! We found something, right? Probably no point in fibbing it. I'm not sure we're going to be doing a valid retrace, but we'll check it out in a second again on the daily. And then here looks choppy as hell, man. So, strong bearish divergence. Action to the downside. Move down. Low, high, negative, more negative. I'm not going to go with anything here, dude. Maybe we could go with this one here. Not sure how reliable it is. $850 for this, dude. I'm not sure what I'm looking at here. Hidden bullish popping. Sideways motion. Low, high, negative, more negative. Some hidden bullish also here. Against the MACD. Right. That's it. Neutral at 48.46. That's it, dude. That's it for this real quick. One second, JK. That's awesome, dude. I'll be right back. I'm back. So, JK said, looking at the DVT since your giveaway the other day, didn't win. Probably looks pretty good. Invested. Awesome, dude. Again, don't take anything that we talk here as investment advice. Just do your own research, right? If you guys like the projects, that's fine. Let's go check out... Bitcoin on the recap, right? Couldn't tell, I'm in the UK, but I am Portuguese. Interesting. Oh, UK is a fun place. It's expensive. Depends on where you live in the UK, it's expensive. London is expensive. I've been there before. Alright, daily. Again, for Bitcoin, quick recaps, right? Josh Mahoney's in Ireland. What? Awesome. Yo, I have Seamus here as my tiny bee weed leprechaun that lives here in the house, and he drinks beer with me when I'm lonely. Look at that, he has a little, like, tiny wee bit glass for beer, man. Yo, my name's Seamus. That's Seamus, bro. Right, I have a leprechaun in the house. Great, man. He usually comes out with drinks, you know, sometimes when I drink, I just put him on my shoulder for fun, but it's here, right? Ian, thank you for being here, man. Another Irishman, I know. The only Irish game I know is hurling, and that's because I had some Irish friends at the university. And I actually got to play a little bit of hurling with them. That was fun. One of them actually was a pro hurling player, you know, yeah, semi-pro or something like that. So hurling, interesting sport. I enjoy that. Martin, 1.53. Really? Are we there? All right, we are, dude. 1,536 subs. Great. That's awesome. 1,540, dude. I'm at that number already. Look at that. It's insane, bro. 1,540. It's there, man. We got there. Strong support. Yeah, we knew. We talked about that, right? We're still in this range. 37,200 to 34,400. And 48 to 38 or whatever, right? Hitting bullish, trying to hold on to that. We can still drop, and we're going to have a lot of support probably here at the 33, right? Let's go to the 4 hour. You prefer Gaelic football? Yeah, that's fine. I've never seen Gaelic football. I just seen hurling, and it's fast, and it's like insane, dude. Like trying to grab and catch the ball when you know there's a lot of beaters coming out, like basically hit you in the hand. It's insane. I'm not sure if I would be playing that. I like my hands, and I don't want to get like bashed in the head by a bat. Hello, hello, hello. Again, hidden bullish, popping, rejecting, getting above that 34,000 again, which is good. Then on the 1 hour, we said, look, potential double bottom. Potential. We haven't broken confirmation line, and sometimes when we break, we retrace, remember, right? We get throwbacks. Those throwbacks can do two things. We find support and pump, or we reject and then we drop. So again, potential double bottom. We're still going green right now. Trying to get above that 20, but not quite hit it yet. Let's go to the half hour, see what we had there. Are you guys Mexican? Who's guys? I'm not sure who you're talking about. Jorge. But thank you for being here, man. What do we have here, man? What was this from? Potential double bottom also? Yeah. The potential double bottom on the 30-minute chart, man. And this one might have come over from the... we haven't even developed this when we were calling it, right? Because we just have the 1 here. But this one's on the minutes, and then this one's from the hour. I'm going to send this one back to... What? What do I have doubles? That's awkward. Were we creating this one? Probably not. I'm not sure. I have a double butt cheek here. Weird. Did I delete it from the 1 hour now? Oh, there we go. Right, 30-minute. Double bottom also. Speak some Spanish for y'all once in a while? Alright. Yeah, if people start speaking Spanish, I can speak Spanish, but a lot of people are probably going to go away the second I do that. Double bottom potentially. Failing once, failing twice. Not looking too hot right now. Triple bottom, are we doing that, dude? Maybe. So we kind of killed this hidden bullish that we're looking for here on the half hour, right? I know what's happening. We had this potential double bottom on the half hour we came in. And then this other bottom that I'm seeing forming. So this could all be just one bottom. A small double bottom that we made here. Right? Now we rejected and we're making this second double bottom. I was trying to like gauge what we're looking at here on the half hour. And it would seem to make sense with what's happening here on the daily, right? These two candles, or more or less these two candles that we're seeing here, right? So, good stuff there. And now this one's came over and I just confirmed that. So, yay, Spotify ads. Great. Let's get rid of this in the hour. That's fine. And let's get rid of this in the hour. And that's fine. Now this I would propose that we move to here and see if we actually break this area. Soy what? Soy el hombre pequeño de la caja. Yeah, dude, you can go in the small box. Mike Proxy. So that double bottom is the buy target. Keegan, again, don't invest based on what you see here. I'm seeing it's a potential double bottom. I'm not calling it a double bottom. How do you know it's a double bottom? You break through this line and then it starts to go up, right? Again, it's a potential setup, right, for an entry. Yeah, you would be looking to buy the bottom, but have a tight stop loss, because if this doesn't trigger, it doesn't go, right? We have it on the 1 hour as well. We already established that if these double bottom triggers at some point in time, we could get to 47,000. That would be the target move, right? If the double bottom goes ahead. We already had double bottoms on this chart before. Way back here, remember? Oh, snap, I'm doing a line. I didn't want to do that. What? It's not letting me select. There we go. I have so much data now on the charts. That's why it's telling me to keep on deleting stuff. But anyways, look. Potential double bottom, right? Potential double bottom, confirmation line. We broke it. We didn't quite hit target immediately, right? We started flagging afterwards. But our target was here, firm, at 23,000. And we called that way back then on November the 27th. At some point in time, we just came up, hit it, and we beautifully hit this target, and we actually consolidated this level for a little bit, which I liked. I liked the fact that we consolidated this level before we actually moved. Now, I was calling for consolidation here, and Steve gave me a lot of grief because I was saying, look, we're just going up. We're not doing any kind of pullback, or good pullback, right? I'm glad that we're consolidating this level. It's going to give us a good level to move up again. Cover what? Someone asked something. I probably missed it. Ethereum. Yeah, I'm about to do Ethereum again. Thanks for that. Ethereum 1,310. Great. Still holding on support, man, for dear life. Let's go on the daily for Ethereum. What's it doing? What's it doing, man? No one knows what it's doing back there, man. My meatloaf. So again, it did below the 1,292 area, which is fine. Again, bearish divergence, section to downside. Bought at 6.29. On the 4 hour, we had this hidden bullish popped, hit resistance at 1,287. Rejected. Again, came slightly lower on this candle, but pushing back up and still holding on to and closing within this area at 1,292. Last candle held support here at last 4 hour candles up back here. Held support at 1,261. So again, good support here. Yeah, slightly more negative. So I'm doing this weird thing here where we're creating some hidden bullish. I don't like the way this hidden bullish is building up, basically, but it's there right now because it's very short term. So we're going from here to here. Potential hidden bullish. 692. It just dropped 679. I was thinking it go slightly higher, but yeah, it is what it is. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we had this hidden bullish divergence fraction to the upside. We did pump. We haven't created anything bearish, right? High, low, negative, less, negative, low, on the other side to our lower point. This move comes from Bitcoin moving down. Meatloaf! I know, isn't that funny? I just scream like, wife, tea, or something like that. And I could probably get slapped if I do that after the stream, so I don't want to get slapped. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low on the other side to our point. Nothing here, right? Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Again, consolidating this area. And, again, above support, which is fine. Let's go to the half hour. Do we have something here? We had a triangle that broke low, high, negative, less, negative, low on the other side to our point. Nothing bearish, right? Look at this. Low, high, low, high, low, high. Even here, high, low, positive, high, low. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish. Again, Ethereum is just consolidating, moving sideways. This move came from Bitcoin moving down, so I'm not expecting a lot. It could pump again, but we'll see. The midnight dumps is not so bad so far. Yeah, not so bad. Let's see what Europe does when they come online, or most of Europe comes online. Around like 2 in the morning. It's just going to be 8 in the morning for a lot of people in Europe. We'll see if they feel like buying or selling. Good woman if she just waits after her stream to smack. Oh, yeah. Murph, I should do morning streams? I thought about that. Doing a stream at this time and then do one 12 hours after. It would really not be that bad. The fact is I do have a job and I do day trading in the morning. So, yeah. I don't have time to do it in the morning. If this manages at some point in time to equate the same a good amount of income, I'll probably be able to say goodbye to the job. Do this, do news, live day trading. I don't want to do that, dude. It lends itself to market manipulation. Ray, did I ever end up doing Amazon? Oh, I thought you wanted Apple, bro. I'll go to do Amazon, man. I did Apple by accident. I just did Bitcoin, like, last coin, man. You can rewind and watch that one. I'm going to do Apple or Amazon right now. I couldn't remember which one it was that you requested. I didn't write it down because, you know, we have a format that I try to follow. I didn't want to do that there. There's a TA format. You basically do that, and, you know, I'll write it down. Because sometimes I miss it in the chat, right? If it goes too quick, me and the mods miss it in the chat. So, just try to use proper format. It helps out a lot. As for morning streams, yeah, I consider it. I actually want to do a Spanish version of the stream of the City Crypto. I also want to do the news, right? I used to do the news before a while back, and I used to do the news and then jump onto the technicals on the same stream. People just wanted the news. Sorry, the technicals. So we just did the technicals. So I'm thinking about doing the news on a separate video and uploading it. I just really haven't had the time to do that, right? Do the news, post it, and then, you know, it'll be a news video, and then do the stream at night. So, yeah. Spanish would be dope for your mom. Yeah, that'll be cool. Amazon. Let's go check it out, man, because I'm starting to get tired. Look, I did Apple. See, I didn't know which one you wanted, so I'll get rid of Apple. Amazon on the daily. Is it good or is it bad, man? Right, dude. Let's see. Low, high. Alright. Let's just keep this here on the daily. Negative, more negative. Hidden bullish divergence. Potential for action to the upside. We also have it against the RSI. We did already pumped a little bit. It gapped up and pumped. So, again, when's the earnings coming out? The earnings coming out on February the 2nd, right? So, very close to earnings coming out. That's going to be interesting. Do they have data already? Estimate 7.4 and 14. Let's see if they hit target for earnings. Let's go on the weekly. Do we have something bearish? High, low, possible, positive, high, low. Nothing here that is bearish. So let's go on the weekly, man. Consolidating. Last time we looked at Amazon, we were looking for some potential action to the upside. We'd still get it. That was fine. So, and that's from the daily, though. So on the weekly, we did come up here. Created the bearish divergence for action to the downside. There, and then here also. Move down that, hit the 20 bounce, high, low, positive, high, low. We've just been flirting with the 20, right? We're just consolidating at this area. Look, I'm going to do this real quick for you, man. There and there. All right, making sort of triangle pattern. I'm not sure where it's going to break. Triangles can break either way. It's 50-50, right? They can break up or down. Oh, we haven't done Netflix, dude. What I can tell you is that it has some hidden bullish here, right? Low, high, negative, more negative, or so low, lower on the RSI. And I want to zoom in here. I want to see if we have something. I'm actually going to hide the ball and U-bands real quick. Low, high, low, high, low, high. That's fine. Nothing there, man. Well, that's it, dude. Again, it could go either way. It does have some hidden bullish. Probably why we popped here. But again, this already happened. You're above the zero line on the MACD. Still diverging on the MACD and the signal line. We'll see where that goes. Let's go on the daily, dude. Where is it at here? We're below, dude. It just got to cross, right? This is advancing it. So it's probably not going to be a good in. Let's see where we are in regards to the 20. Those are 200 moving average. So we're going to use MACD strategy. Yeah. On a cross here, right? Again, this is advancing it, but on a cross the MACD over a signal line, and we're above the 200 moving average, MACD strategy would usually trigger, and you would buy in. So interesting. Yeah, we could go with MACD strategy for this on a potential cross here, but it still hasn't crossed. Don't advance it, right? You need to get the cross before you actually go in. Otherwise, you can get wrecked. Sometimes they come really close, like here, right? It looks like it was going to cross. Looked like it was going to cross and then divert it again. Right? It can do the same. It could go here and then psych you out and go back down. So you just be careful. Let's get back to this on the 20 moving average. Yo, what else? Frank Castle, your third-party approach to viewing each coin is much appreciated. Keeping an unbiased perspective, your analysis takes self-discipline and is crucial to extrapolating a crucial decision. Yeah, thanks, man. Much appreciated, man. I do try to be as neutral as I can when I'm looking at assets. Dude. Yeah, people have come in here and said the market's crashing and you're really calm, and I'm like, yeah, whatever, man. You know, you gotta keep your emotions in check when trading, and I do try to do all the projects with the same integrity and respect, right? Kevin Tarwater, have I talked about XRP? Yeah, I talked about XRP, man. It was the third coin we checked out today. I'll do a recap. TA has no emotions, yeah. Well, TA actually shows the motions of the candles, right? When you use Japanese charstick, when you use Japanese candlestick patterns, which is what we're looking at here, what you're looking at the emotions of the traders, right? When they're going bearish, when they're going bullish, and you're looking at the market sentiment, the market emotion, so you can go in and out. So yeah, TA does not have emotions, but the candles do bring that emotion. But yeah, trading it, you gotta do it without emotion, so otherwise you get wrecked. Someone said Netflix, dude. Whatever, we'll check out Netflix. Why not? I'm gonna have to buy a new RAM, dude, because my computer was like, see, now it's running fine. A couple minutes ago, when all the tips were coming in, it started to run really slow, man. I was like, damn, dude, I need that RAM. Right, so Netflix on the daily, right? Higher. Took a massive pump. I'm not sure why. We're gonna check it. They have good news or something. Earnings came out. Great. They missed them by a little bit, so not too bad. Actually, it is bad. I would like them. The estimate was 1.36, so standardized 1.19 as reported 1.19. Right, so them missing them by a little bit does kind of take me off, right? Because you would expect with the pandemic and a lot of people staying at home that they were going to pull in a lot more viewers. Probably they're spending a lot more on other stuff, but we'll see, dude, right? On, you know, etc. How much round do I have? 16 jigs. I think I need at least another 16 to be good. I already have the reported 100 million subs. Yeah, I know. Right, so, you know, but earnings were still short, so who knows, right? Anyways, right now, this obviously advancing cross MACD over the signal line. If you would be getting in, you would be getting above the zero line. MACD strategy would not trigger there. You don't have anything against the RSI. You're just overbought at 70.80. We did have strong bearish divergence against the MACD on the daily, but again, this is just starting to develop, right? You can make more green candles and negate it, so be careful. I'm not sure if I want to go into this. Also on the weekly, look at this, right? Higher point here on the weekly. Let's get rid of this on the daily. So yeah, 16 gigs of RAM. Someone asked, right? I did reply. Sorry, man. I need 32. Yeah, I know. That's why I want to get. It's already there, man. It's fun being fundraised over there in the corner. But for some reason, the super chat tips do not add up to that total, so it's weird. MSTR, MicroStrategy. Yeah. That's going to be it, though, right? Howell, after MicroStrategy, I'm not going to check anything else, guys. I'm burned out. We've done a lot of stuff today. Done 29... 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, plus 5 recaps, and someone also requested to recap XRP again, so I'm like fried. I'm no more, right? Netflix, yeah, it could be overpriced, man. It has strong bearish divergence in the weekly. I mean, you know, with the news that came out, yeah, it could go bullish. Still, it's bouncing at the 20. Low, high, some hidden bullish here, just very slight though, right? Again, don't trade based on what you see here, right? I'm just telling you more or less what I'm seeing, but you know, if you have your own thing, do your own thing, right? Again, you should not trade based on what you see here. 51, 51.22, 51.37. So from here to here, we're still coming slightly lower. And I haven't had dinner yet. I'm hungry. Like a couple minutes ago into the stream, like my stomach started growling a little bit. And I'm like, damn, dude, I'm hungry. I have to wait. And yeah. So as soon as I'm done here, I'm going to have some like quick dinner. Probably something really light because it's very late for me. It's like almost 1 in the morning. So I'm going to log off soon. MSTR, that's it. Last coin we'll look at, or last project. Then after that, recap of XRP, then Bitcoin, then Ethereum, and that's it. Monster. What are we doing here on the weekly? Let's start on the weekly. Higher, positive, more positive. So that's fine. Nothing on the weekly. Pulling back down. You're overbought, so you're gonna pull back down on the fact that you're overbought on the weekly at 83.52. You went insanely high, insanely fast. It's going parabolic. Oh my god, what do they have? They probably this is probably going up on news, right? There's nothing else but news. Neutral at, sorry, overbought at 83.52. Let's go to the daily, man. That's it. Let's go to the daily. There we are, man. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on there. So lower point, right. Some bearish divergence against the MACD from here to here. That would be one. Let's get rid of this in the weekly. There we are, man. And from here to here, that's one. And then, you know what? We pumped once more. Not right. We're there. From here to here, we have one. And then from here, we're another one. There's potential action to the downside. This, if you would have gotten in before, it would have been good. Right now, I think you could be buying it at a premium. I'm actually going to zoom out here on the daily. See how it's been performing. See if we have a higher high. We don't. So, it's making all-time highs, right? Do you want to get in an all-time high? You probably want to get some pullback before you get back in, right? It's pulling back slightly, but, you know, I'm not sure. It should come down to a 20 to try to test support like it did here before it pumped. That'll be healthy. Not sure if it's going to get it, though, right? That's it for MicroStrategy, you guys. Let's go to Charpay, the XRP, man. 29.59. Where's it at? Still in the same area that we talked about. Between the 29.894 and 27.911. Great. Not a lot there. Let's go to the 4 hour. What do we have? Nothingness. Again, rejecting this area twice. Trying to get above that 20, but nothing bullish besides the bullish here. And then we created this strong bearish divergence. Action to downside move there. Nothing else bullish developed. Let's go to the 1 hour. Last thing we had was this hidden bullish. We haven't created anything since. High, low, positive, positive, high, low, low, high, negative, more negative, low, high, right? High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Neutral at 53.88. So not doing a lot in XRP. Let's go to Bitcoin. And then Ethereum. High, low, high, low. Alright, that's fine. Sideways, negative, right? So, Bitcoin daily. Not a lot, right? Again, hidden bullish, trying to recover. Nice. Neutral at 53.99. It wouldn't be weird if we actually come back down to this level again. I'm not worried about 33,000s, right? So let's see if we can have this hidden bullish pump. Again, here we have a triangle pattern that we were looking at earlier, right? We probably came back down and wicked it. Yeah, look at that. Almost for a hit. Because we actually adjusted to the wicks, remember? And we're breaking this one to down, so that's fine. So again, bouncing at the bottom of the triangle, we should be going to the top, or that would be the target. Let's go here on Bitcoin, dude. Again, hidden bullish, trying to pump. Again, trying to hold on to that support at 34,438. We're still above that area, which is really good. Let's go to the 1 hour. Potential double bottom, right? Watch out for that. Again, we already hit the 20. Or very, very close to it. It looks like we're rejecting it slightly. The high was 34,789. The 20's at 34,825. So a couple, like, $50 off. Or less than $50 off. That's it there, man. Let's go to Ethereum. Right, bearish divergence, action to downside. We're moving down on that. Great. Neutral, sorry, bought at 65.17. Let's go to the 4 hour. We didn't have anything here. Oh, high. Again, hidden bullish. That's great. This from the 1 hour, probably. Yeah, from the 1 hour. You came from the 1 hour. Oh, high, negative, more negative. Yeah, hidden bullish. Took that pop, rejected the high at 1,387, the resistance. Came back down, trying to hold on support at 1,292. Again, if Bitcoin plays ball, Ethereum will perform okay. Bitcoin tanks, Ethereum very likely gonna follow, right? Yeah, that is true. Bitcoin and PayPal is not yours. You cannot send it elsewhere. Anyways, hidden bullish, popping low, low high, native is native, low high. Again, nothing here. Neutral at 43.40. Guys, that's it. No more requests. That's it for tonight. It's been a heavy night. It's been an awesome night. I love being here, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate all the likes, all the follows, the subscribes, the tips that you guys give this channel are amazing. It's so humbling to have some of you come in and subscribe and want to see what I have to say. And, you know, the donations, man. Right? Donations are amazing, man. You guys, for reals. It's so humbling to get tipped by you guys and, you know, have you appreciate what I do here. Yeah, tomorrow, 9 p.m. Central, guys. Again, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, the bell, the sub. This is Crypto Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome. Now, what are we at tonight? Thursday already. So it was a Wednesday night. Now it's a Thursday morning for me. Guys, I love being here. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. Bring your friends over. If you want to get them into crypto, bring them over. Tell them about the channel. Help us share this on social media. I post live on Twitter that I'm here. If you guys help me bring more people, we're going to grow this community. It's going to be amazing. And if you bring your friends, you and your friends are going to be learning about crypto, which is going to be really cool for everyone. And again, remember, all the content that we do here is for education and entertainment purposes only. Don't trade based on what you see here. We're just like trying to educate people and, you know, have fun while we do it. So we'll catch you again tomorrow. Thank you, Adi. Thank you, Joshua, Soka, for being here. Art, Ningelk, who else came in? Christopher, Psycho, John Smith, Malakis, Frank Castle, Double B, Andu, Jorge Carranza, the Fouls Flags, Jake, Steve, Andrew. I'm trying to figure out who else came in, man. The Bitcoin Mob, Amna Sayed, Alan Chumarcero, Epic Shadow. Yeah. Dynamic Motorsport Experience, man. Sadia Watt, Grant Andration, Jeff Joker, Mamba for Life, American Infidel. Thank you all for coming in, guys. The Chatma, thank you for being here as well, man, and helping me out. Camp Suicide, something saying there, man, but I'm not sure. Y'all, thank you for being here, man. If I missed someone, I'm sorry, man. I know there's so many people that come in. Thank you all for coming in, and that's going to be it for tonight, guys. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then.